Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to solve the practice questions of ratio and proportion. So here we have 57 very important and mostly expected questions of ratio and proportion. If you practice these 57 questions guys in examination, you will get from these type only. Okay, so let's start. Sure, yeah. So take your calculator and get ready, guys. So see in the CA Foundation paper 3, ratio and proportion and many other chapters are there, guys, where you have to do a very fast calculation. Calculator, you have to know how you have to use very fast. Okay. Chalo bhaiya. We'll start with the thing. Let there are 80 students in a class. Okay, there are 80 students in a class. Ratio of number of boys to number of girls is 4:1. So what I will do, I will take the one number. I don't know the number. I'll leave it off. Will forget the number. So guys, what is given? They had given the ratio of boys is to girl. So ratio of boys to the number of girls is 4:1. 4:1. So what I will take? Boys is to girls. So it is 4x and 1x. Okay. So total is what, guys? See, 80 students are there. How will make the students? Boys plus girls is equal to, will get the students. So 4x plus x equals 80, right? Number of boys plus number of girls equals to total students. Correct? That's the thing they are given, that there are 80 students in a class. Ratio of number of boys to number of girls is 4:1. So boys is 4x, girls is 1x. 4x plus 1x will get 80 students. The reason behind is boys plus girls is 80. Okay, boys plus girls is total number of students. 4x plus x means 5x equals 80. So from here we will get x is equals to 80 divided by 5, that is 16. So x value we got is 16. Now what we have to find? They said find the number of boys and number of girls. So boys is what? Boys is 4x. So 16 for the 64. Total number of boys is 64 and number of girls is x. X means what? 16. That's it. Okay. We get the number of boys 4 into x. So 4 16 the 64 boys, 1 into x, 1 into 16 is 16 girls. So yeah, answer is that boys is 64, girls is 16. You can identify from here also 64 plus 16, that is equals to 80. Means your answer is correct, guys. Correct answer. Now next, if weight of Arun is 80 kg and he reduces the weight in 5:4, find new weight. Guys, we know if any quantity is given, so that quantity, if it will increase or it will decrease with some ratio. We already studied in the class also, and we already studied in our ratio and proportion chapter also, right? So guys, if you want to learn, means where you will get this, what I can say, now go to the solutions and all, go to the playlist. In playlist you will get a 07 code. Okay, go to the playlist. In playlist you will see 07 code. So click that 07 code. In that you will get a video. The heading will be ratio and proportion practice questions. Ratio and proportion practice question. So click on that, you will get this thing. Okay. So guys, see, new thing, find new weight. New weight, this is new weight. Find new weight. So guys, simple thing, we know that if any value is given, so either that value is increasing by some ratio or that value is decreasing by some ratio, and then they will say to find the new value. Okay, we have an old value, so this old value will either increase by some ratio or this old value will either decrease by some ratio. Then we have to find the new value. So for finding the new value, what we have to do, formula is same. We have to write the old value. We have to write the old value into reciprocal of ratio. Suppose given ratio is A:B. So I will take the reciprocal, that is B by A. Means old value is what? Old value is 80. into ratio is 5:4, but we will take reciprocal of the ratio. It will become 4/5. So it will cancel this. It will be 16, 16 for the 64. Now new weight is 64 kg. Yes, new weight is 64 kg. And guys, you can clarify from here also. You can recheck from here also, like starting weight was 80 kg. Now the weight is reduces, so new weight comes to 64 kg. The starting weight is 80 kg, the weight reduces, new weight is 64, so it got reduced. Correct. This type of questions already we did. There is a formula. They will give the old value, that value is either increased by some ratio or that value is decreased by some ratio. Then we have to find the new value. So what we will do, we'll write the old value into reciprocal of the ratio. So given ratio, if we'll take a is to b, reciprocal is b by a. Finish. Okay. Now next, this thing, this thing, this is very easy, we know this. See, we will write a by b equals 2 by 3, and then b by c equals 3 by 7. So guys, we will see the very simple thing is b is 3 and b is 3, means what we can see, b are same. If these two are same, what is the value? Guys, if you know how to find the value of a, b, c. Correct. What we will do for finding the a value, just we will apply direct method, guys. We will apply direct method for finding that continued ratio. You know the concept, how to find the continued ratio. For finding the a, where is a in the numerator, so we will go in a sequence order. So where is a is in the numerator, then we'll go from a to b, means numerator into numerator, 2 3 the 6. Okay. Then for finding b, where is the b is here. So starting from b, we'll go to b to b, so 3 3 the 9. Now next, what we have to find, c. Where is c is here. Now we'll start with b then c, so 3 7 the 21. Correct. You know how to find the continued ratio. I had already given the trick, right? A means a is present then in the numerator. So for finding the a, we will multiply all the numerator, a to b. If c is there, then b to c, will multiply that, like that. Then for finding b, what we will do, we'll go from b to b. If c is there, then b to c, like that. If c is here, means we'll not start with a, every time we'll start from b. So b to c, that's done. If more c is there, then c will be here, c to c, then d, like that. Okay. So 6 is to 9 is to 21. You have to find a is to c. A is to c means 6 is to 21. It will get cancelled. Yes. Now 2 3 the 6, 7 3 the 21. So a is to c is 2 is to 7. So a is to c is 2 is to 7. Yeah, correct answer. Now a is to b is to c. 6 is to 9 is to 21. 6 is to 9 is to 21. It will get cancelled by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 7 the 21. So answer is 2 is to 3 is to 7. Okay. A is to c is what? 2 is to 7. A is to b is to c is 2 is to 3 is to 7. Finish. Now next what we will see, next is the same thingy. छोड़त ना, कौन मिटाएगा इस, we'll do here. See, a by b is 2 is to 3. Okay. A by b equals 2 is to 3, and they are given b is to c. B by c is 4 is to 5. This they had given. Okay. Let's find the value of a. Guys, we know how we'll find the value of a. A is present in the numerator, so we'll go from a to b. If c is there, then b to c. If d is there, then c to d, like that. We'll go to numerator. So a to b, 2 for the 8. Now for finding b, where is the b? B is here. Now b will go to b to b. If it still is there, then c, d, e, like that. Otherwise b to b, it will stop, because further we don't have. So 3 for the 12. Every value we will multiply. And c, for finding c is here. So we will start from b. We will never count from a, b, no. A is done. Now every time we will start from b. B to c. Okay. 3 5 the 15. If more, suppose C by D is value, some values there, 8 by 7. Then B to C, then C to, will go B to C, then C to C, like that. And how will take for B? B to B, then B to C, like that. And for D, how will find the D? Yes, start from B, B to C, C to D, done, like that. And I hope you know this concept. We are already studied this concept. Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find A is to C. A is to C. A is to C means A is 8, C is 15. 8 is to 15. It can able to change? No. So A is to C is what? Yes, 8 is to 15. Now A is to B is to C. 8 is to 12 is to 15. It can go? No. So answer is yes, 8 is to 12 is to 15. Done. Okay, this 2 is done. Wait a moment. 1 done, 2 done, 3 done, 4 done. Now this. Yeah. Okay. Just try this one, guys. Start. जल्दी करो भैया. अरे ओ प्यारे करती रूरी भैया. Now guys, see here. A is to B. Okay, this is the question. This is the end. I have the question. I will write from here. A is to B is A by B. Then B is to C is C by D. This is the end. Hold your breath. C is to D is E by F. Okay, we have to find all, right? Yeah, we have to find A is to B is to C is to D. Okay, so very simple thing, very simple thing, guys. Okay, chalo re pyare. A, guys, what we will do? A is in the numerator, so we will continue with the numerator. A to B, B to C. So A into C into E. A into C into E. Okay, now for finding B, what we will do? B is here. We will start from B. B will go to B. Then after that, continue C. B will go to B. Then C, D, E, like that. So it will be B into C into E. The value we will write. Now A, B, C. C is here. C is here. Where is C? C is here. So for finding C, you have to see here. C is here. So C means it will start from B only. It will never start from A. So it will go from B to C. Then again you will see the further continuation is there. Means C will go from C to C. After that further continuation is not there. So it will stop. So B, D, E. B into D into E. Now we have to write for D. Now we will see where is D. D is in the denominator. D is in the denominator here. So we will come from B to C, C to D. That's it. So it is what it is. B into D into F. B into D into F. Now see what is the common. A, we don't have. C, C, no. E. This is the answer. Yeah. A is ACE. B is BCE. C is BDE. D is BDF. Correct. Correct answer, guys. Correct answer. Okay. Now next. If A is to B is 2 is to 3 and B is to C is 5 is to 7, then A is very simple, guys. See, A by B is 2 by 3. B by C is 5 by 7. You have to find A is to B is to C. See, for finding A, what we will do? A is in the numerator. So we will go from numerator to numerator. A to B. So 2 5 the 10. B is 10. Sorry, A is 10. Is to, for finding B, we will start from B. Here is B, then where is B? Here. So B will go from B to B, and then no, we don't have. So it will multiply. 3 5 the 15. Then C is where? C is in the denominator. So C is in the denominator means we'll continue from, every time we'll continue from B only. B to C. So 3 7 the 21. Now tell me whether it will get cancelled. No, it will not get cancelled. The option is 10 is to 15 is to 21. Correct. Okay, yeah. Now we'll solve this one. A, B, B, C, C, D. Yes, this. This is the end. Hold your breath. Okay, A is to B. Are oh pyare. Guys, if you can do it. A is to B is 2 by 3. If you don't know, guys, if you want to watch and learn, you can watch and learn. Or if you want to, just see, you have to pause, means after read the question, pause the video, solve it, then move and just check it out whether your question is correct or wrong. Means sorry, your answer is correct or wrong. 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 6 to 7. Yeah. Chalo bhaiya. Guys, first of all, we have to find, see, only we have to find A and D. See, if you have to find A and D, then we will not waste the time for finding B and C. Just we will find A, we will find D, khatam. Okay, so for finding A, what we will do? A is in the numerator. We'll go with numerator. A to B, B to C. So 2 for the 8. 8 6 the 48. We have to find A is 48. And then we have to find D. Khatam. D, where is D? Is here. For finding D, what we have to do? We have to start from B. We will never start from A. So B to C, C to D. Correct. If D is up here, like suppose D by E equals 2 by 3. So what will happen? B to C, C to D, then D will go to D. If further E is here, then D to E. Correct. You know this, easy peasy. So 3 5 the 15. 15 7 the 105. 105. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So 48 and 105. It will go. No. 105. Just we'll see by 3. Oh, it will go by 3. 3. 3 means it will be 16 to the 48. And this is 35. More. No. Correct. Answer is A is to D is 16 is to 35. Okay. Now next thing. Done this part. Hold your breath. Okay, this is a very repeated question like this we already did in the class also. Arey bhaiya, easy peasy. See, P is to Q. Sorry, P, Q, R. Guys, P, Q and R are 3 cities. The ratio of average temperature between P and Q is 11 is to 12. 11 is to 12. This is 11 is to 12. And that between P and R is 9 is to 8. Find ratio between Q and R. Guys, we have to find the ratio between Q and R. Means Q by R. We have to find the ratio between Q and R. Means we have to find Q by R. So I see, very simple thing. Q by R means first ratio they had given P by Q. Okay. So P and Q is 11 by 12. Another ratio they had given P by R. P by R which is 9 by 8. Okay, this they had given. Correct. So bhaiya dekho na. Guys, what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of Q and R. Q and R is nothing but Q by R. Q and R is nothing but Q by R. So in the numerator I have to keep Q. In the denominator I have to keep R. So bhaiya dekho. This you can see. Here we have a Q in the denominator, but we want to keep the Q in the numerator. So what we will do? Reciprocal. The Q by P into R should be in denominator. Yes, R is in denominator. We'll write the same. P by R. Means we'll write the Q by P means it will become 12 by 11 into P by R means 9 by 8. Guys, simple thing. Don't get confused. Just check it out what we have to find. Q by R. So Q is in the numerator. So we will change this, so that's why Q will come in the numerator. So we'll do the reciprocal. The value will also get reciprocal. R is in the denominator. We'll keep it as it is. So R will be in the denominator. So as it is. Khatam. Just check it out where it will get cancelled. 2 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 2 3 the 6, 2 to the 4. Then it will get cancelled. 9 3 the 27 by 11 to the 22. Answer is 27 by 22. Yeah, answer is 27 by 22. And next. Okay, A, oh, very easy, guys, very easy. A is to B is 3 is to 4. What does this mean? A is to B equals 3 is to 4. Guys, we have already studied that. Numerator equals to numerator and denominator equals to denominator. Khatam means A value is 3, B value is 4. Done. Finish. So you have to find the value of 2A plus 3B. Okay, we have to find the value of 2A plus 3B is to A plus 3B is to 3A plus 4B. 3A plus 4B. Just substitute the value. A value what we are getting? A value we got 3. B value we got 4. Khatam. Substitute Madi. See 3 to the 6. 6 plus 4 3 the 12. Divided by 3 3 the 9. Plus 4 4 the 16. So 12 plus 6, 18 by 16 plus 9, 25. Whether it will get cancelled, 18 and 25? No. So correct answer is 18 is to 25. 18 is to 25. Yeah. Next. See, x is to y is 1 is to 2. Means x by y equals 1 by 2. We know, bhaiya, are oh pyare, we know numerator equals to numerator, denominator equals denominator. Means x value is what? X value is 1, y value is 2. So bhaiya, see, you have to find this x square y plus xy square. Likh lo bhaiya, x square y plus xy square divided by x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. Substitute. X is 1. 1 is square is 1. 1 into y is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Plus x is 1. Y is square means 2 is square is 4. 4 1 the 4. 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. Plus 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 4 plus 2 6. By 8 plus 1 9. It will get cancelled. Yeah. 2 3 the 6. 3 3 the 9. So 2 is to 3. Yes, 2 is to 3 is the correct answer. Yes, guys. Yes, 2 is to 3 is the correct answer. This is the end. Hold your breath. Okay. Now done. Done. We'll go move on. Two numbers are in ratio 2 is to 3. So two numbers are in ratio 2 is to 3. I will take the number as yes. Correct, guys. Correct. You know that how we are going to convert the ratio into the number. So two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. So I will take the number as 2x and 3x. Okay. Chalo pyare. Are oh bhaiya, we will write. So two number I will take 2x by 3x. Okay. Correct. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3 means I will take the number 2x by 3x. If 4 is subtracted from each, 4 is subtracted. Subtracted means what? Minus. So 4 is subtracted from each. Each means from this both numerator and denominator. What we are getting? We are getting 3 is to 5. We are getting 3 is to 5. See here. They are in the ratio 3 is to 5. The numbers are, we have to find the numbers. Very simple, guys, very simple. What we will do? Yes, we will do the cross multiplication. Whenever you will get like this, we will do the cross multiplication. And guys, in cross multiplication, we have multiply 5 with whole. We will multiply 3 with whole. Don't make blunder that you are multiplying 5 with only 2, multiplying 3 with only 3x. अरे भैया नहीं भैया, गलत हो जाएगा, गड़बड़ होगा इस गड़बड़. It will become wrong. तो भैया देखो 5 to the 10x minus 5 for the 20 which is equals to 3 3 the 9x minus 3 for the 12. तो भैया अरे ओ प्यारे देखो ना, I will bring the x one side which is not possible in real life. Both x will be there. Blast. I will bring the x one side, then I will send the constant to other side because like term one side, unlike term other side. So bhaiya dekho, this is 10x. I will write the 10x as it is. So this is plus 9x. When plus 9x will come that side, it will become minus 9x. And this is already minus 12. I will write the minus 12 as it is. Now this is minus 20. When minus 20 will go that side, it will become plus 20. Yes. 10x minus 9x x equals minus 12 plus 20 is 8. X is 8. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the numbers. So guys, x is 8, x is 8, and what are the two numbers? Two numbers are 2x and 3x. So x is 8 means 2 8 the 16 and 3 8 the 24. 16 and 24 are the numbers. Yes, 16 and 24 are the correct answer. Okay, next. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. Find the angles. Very simple guys, very simple. 2:7:11. So how we will write? Yes, it will become 2x, 7x, 11x. They said angle of a triangle. How many angles are there? Yes, three angles. So one is 2x, another is 7x, another is 11x. They said angle of a triangle are in the ratio this. What is the sum of angle of a triangle? Because they are talking about angle of a triangle. The sum of angle of a triangle is 180. The sum of these angles equals to what? Equals to 180. So let's see this. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 11, 9. 20, 20, 20. The 20x is equals to 180. So x is equals to what guys? 20 will go that side. Right, 180 divided by 20, it will be 9. X is 9. X we got is 9. They said find the angles. So angles are 2x. So 2 9 the 18. Then 7x. 7 9 the 63. Then 11x. 11 9 the 99. Just add this. 18 plus 63 plus 99. It is 180. Yes, you got the correct answer. First angle is 18. Second angle is 63. Third angle is 99. 18 degree, 63 degree, 99 degree. Yes, correct. Answer is correct. Okay. Anand earned rupees 80 in 7 hours. Okay, 80 rupees in 7 hours. So in 1 hour, how much it will earn? 1 hour it will, how much? Anand earned rupees 80 in 7 hours. So 1 hour it will earn 80 divided by 7. Next is Pramod earned rupees 90 in 12 hours. So Pramod 90 rupees in 12 hours. So 1 hour it will be 90 divided by 12. Now what we have to do? They said find the ratio of their earning. Ratio of their earning. Right, simple thing we know in ratio. What we know? Yes, ratio is what? Like 2 or more, we will compare the quantities, 2 or more quantities, but very important thing is what? Yes, very important thing is it should be in same kind and same unit. So that's why I kept in a same unit. 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so ratio is what? They said Anand ratio to, who is another one? Pramod ratio. So Anand ratio is 80 by 7 divided by Pramod ratio is 90 by 12. Guys, we know how to write if both the numerator and denominator is in fraction. If both the numerator and denominator is in fraction, what we will do? We will write the numerator as it is. Then we will change the divide sign into multiply sign and denominator will become reciprocal. So 12 by 90. 0, 0 will get cancelled. We can cancel anything else. Yes. 4, 3 the 12, 3, 3 the 9. Then anything else? No. So 8 for the 32 by 7 3 the 21. So answer is yes, 32 by 21. Correct guys, correct. Okay. Next. Okay, next is what? Next is the ratio of number of boys to number of girls in a school of 720 student is 3:5. So ratio of number of boys and girls is what? 3:5 and total number of student is 720. Means देखो भैया, अरे ओ प्यारे, देखो ना, boys is to girls is what? Boys is to girls is, boys is 3x and girls is 5x, correct? 3x and 5x and total number of student is 720. Okay, so guys, see here what we will get to know. Number of boys plus number of girls equals total number of students, right? 5x plus 3x is what? 8x equals 720. So from here you will get the x value. 720 divided by 8, that is 90. Yes, x value is 90. X value is 90 means number of boys we have is 3x. So 3 into 90, number of boys is 270 and number of girls is 5x, 590, 450. We get to know this much, right? Because they had given the boys to girls ratio is 3 is to 5 and total number of students is 720. So 3 is to 5 means we will take 3x and 5x and total number of students is 720. According to that, we will add boys plus girls equals total number of students and we'll get the number of boys and number of girls. Now next what they said that if 18 new students are admitted in the school, 18 new students are admitted in the school. So 18 new students. No, wait. Sorry guys, 18 new girls are admitted. Sorry. 18 new girls are admitted. Bhaiya dekho, ratio was boys by girls. The boys was 270 divided by girls was 450. They said 18 new girls are admitted in the school. So 18 new girls are admitted in the school. Find how many new boys may be admitted. To find how many new boys, so guys, we know one thing, whatever we have to find, we will take x, not yours. x. ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी. Find how many new boys, the boys will take as x, may be admitted so that ratio of boys to girls may change 2 is to 3. So how many boys will add? X boys will add, so ratio will become 2 is to 3. Now guys, you know, I know, everyone know what we have to do. Cross multiplication. We will do cross multiplication. Are oh bhaiya, karo na re pyare. Cross multiplication we will do na re bhaiya. Are oh bhaiya, dekho. 270 into 3. Oh bhai sahab. 270 into 3 270 into 3 हाँ 810 कर दो भैया 810 प्लस 3 into x 3x equals देखो यार 450 plus 18 और प्यारे बोलो 450 plus 18 is 468 468 into 2 468 into 2 936 ओरे बाबा. Now guys, what will do, we will send this 810 to that side because constant should be one side. So this is 3x equals 936 is there, so it will remain as it is, and this plus 810 is going that side, so plus will convert into minus 810. So bhaiya 936 minus 810, अरे ओ भैया 126 रे प्यारे. तो x you will get is 126 divided by 3. 126 divided by 3. So x you will get is 42. Oh my god, you have 42x. Oh. X is 42. They said what? Now find how many new boys may be admitted. The new boys we have taken, the admitted is x. So we got x is 42 means 42 new boys may be admitted. So what is the answer? Yes guys, yes, 42. Yes. 42. Correct guys, correct. Okay, done. This is one. Find the value of x. Oh my god. Find the value of x. They had given this. I see this is what? Ratio form, and this is nothing but proportion. This is nothing but proportion. Guys, understand very important thing. In the examination, you have to, because see, sometime what will happen, sometime in the examination they will give in a proper order. First 40 question is of maths, then 41 to 60 is logical reasoning, then 61 to 100 is statistics. So it will become very easy you to understand, determine and solve it. Very easy peasy. But sometime what they will do, like as they did this time, they will give in random manner. So maths, stats, logical reasoning, all will be mixed up there. Maths, stats, logical reasoning, all will be mixed up there. So guys, how you will see, first of all, very important thing, you have to understand that which chapter question is this. If you know that which chapter question is this, then you can able to solve that question easily. So bhaiya dekho, whenever they will talk about ratio, or whenever they will give in the question, they will give ratio, or they will talk about proportion. So this indicates that the question is of ratio and proportion. Let's see here. This is what there's a student on the glass ratio. They talked about ratio, even they had given in the ratio. So this is of ratio question. Here also see they had given in the ratio, means it is a ratio question. See, no need of this. This all question is what? Ratio only. This is to B, B is to C, C is a continued ratio only. This 2 is also ratio is given the ratio form only. Now here find the ratio between Q and R, and the ratio is already given, the ratio question. Here also ratio is given, ratio is given, the ratio is given, and then angles of the ratio is given. So whenever they will give the ratio, or they will write the ratio, or they will write the proportion, means it is of the form of ratio and proportion. Here also Anand, see, find the ratio. Here the ratio of the girls, ratio is given. So like that you will get to know. Okay, here guys you can see this is what, this is a proportion. Find the value of x, means guys first proportion, second proportion, third proportion, fourth proportion. The first proportion 2 by 3 divided by x, and this means what, this means equal. Third proportion divided by 5 by 2. So guys what we know this thing. चलो लिख देते हैं, first proportion second proportion equals to third proportion divided by fourth proportion. Okay, we know that this, see, 2 by 3 divided by x. X means I can write x by 1, correct? X means I can write x by 1. So both the numerator and denominator is in fraction. Both the numerator and denominator is in fraction. So what we will do? We will write the numerator as it is. We will remove the divide sign with multiply sign, and the denominator will become reciprocal, 1 by x equals, see, 4 means I can write 4 by 1. 4 means what? I can write 4 by 1. So numerator is in reciprocal, sorry, numerator is in fraction and denominator also in fraction. So when numerator and denominator both is in fraction, what we are going to do? Yes, we'll write the numerator as it is, then we'll remove the divide sign into multiply sign, and then we'll write the denominator in the reciprocal form. So देखो रे प्यारे, what it will become? 2 by 3x equals 4 to the 8 by 5. Now what we will do? Obviously we will do a cross multiplication. So 5 to the 10 equals 8 into 3x. So we have to find the value of x. What I will do? I will send the 8 and 3 to that side. See, here 8 and 3 is in multiply. If 8 and 3 is in multiply, if it will go that side, it will go in divide, correct? We know this. If this side is plus, it will go that side, it will convert into minus. If this side is minus, it will go that side, it will convert into plus. If this side is multiply, it will go that side, means divide. If this side is divide, it will go that side, means multiply. Okay, so this 8 and 3, what will happen? It is here, it is multiply. When it will go that side, it will go in a divide form. So 10 divided by 8 into 3 equals x. Okay, so भैया देखो, okay, so it will be 2 5 the 10, 4 to the 8. So x is equals to 5 divided by 4 3 the what, 12. So answer is 5 by 12. Yes, correct answer is 5 by 12. Yes guys, correct answer is 5 by 12. Okay, next, find the value of x if again it is given in proportion. Chalo bhaiya. So what is this? 10 by 3 whole divided by x, that I will take x by 1, is to means equal. See, is to means equal 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 4. 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 4. Okay, तो भैया देखो, both the numerator and denominator is in fraction. What will happen? We'll write the numerator as it is, we'll change the divide sign to multiply sign, and then we will interchange the denominator. It will become 1 by x. And same here, numerator and denominator is in fraction. So numerator I will write as it is, then divide sign will convert into multiply, and the denominator will become reciprocal. Arey oh ho re bhaiya, 5 5 will get cancelled, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. Oh ho, gorda उड़ा दिया guys, gorda. 10 divided by 3 into x. 3x is equals to, this side is what, in the numerator only we have 2, denominator nothing. So bhaiya dekho, nothing means 2 by 1, so it will cross multiply. 10 1 the 10 equals 3 to the 6x. So we have to find x. So x is equals to what? X is equals to 10 by 6. X is equal to 10 by 6. It will cancel, means 5 to the 10, 3 to the 6, 5 by 3. X is what? X you will get is 5 by 3. Yes guys, yes, correct answer is 5 by 3. Woohoo. Okay, find the fourth proportion. कौन call कर रहा है भाई? Sorry guys, I can't pick the call guys. Sorry. Okay. Find the fourth proportion guys. You have to find the fourth proportion. So 4 6 8. Fourth proportion means guys, the first proportion is given, second is given, third is given, fourth I will take as x, not yours. So this is very simple guys, very simple. 4 6 equals 8 by x. Then we'll do a cross multiplication. 4x equals 8 6 the 48. The x is equal to 48 by 4, x equals 12. Yes, x equals 12. Correct answer. Okay. Next, the third proportion of this. Okay, very easy guys. We have to find the third proportion guys. What we know, in finding the third proportion and mean proportion, they will give the two values, the first value and second value. First value every time we will take as a, second value every time we will take as c. The formula for third proportion is c square by a. That's it. So c is what? 18. 18 square means 18 into 18. You will get 324 divided by c square by a. A is 12. So 27 is the correct answer. Yes, 27 is the correct answer. So third proportion formula is what? C square by a. So in third proportion, whatever, every time they will give the two values. Every time they will give the two values. The first value I will take as a, second value I will take as c. Khatam. Okay. Now guys, a is to, okay, here nothing is given means what I will take? A by 1. Nothing is given means by 1, right? So a by 1 equals b by 2 equals c by 5. We have to find the value of a is to b is to c. Easy peasy question guys. We know that if numerator is any variable and you have to find the value of that variable, means whatever the value is in the denominator, that will be the answer. Means if b by 2 is there, so b is the variable. If you have to find the value of the b which is in the numerator, so its value is present in the denominator. Means a value, if we have to find which is present in the numerator, so its value is present in the denominator. If b is a variable, we have to find the value of the b, so its value is present in the denominator. If c is the variable which is in the numerator and we have to find the value of c, so the value of c is present in the denominator. So a is to b is to c means a is 1, b is 2, c is 5. A is 1 is to 2 is to 5. Correct answer. Easy shortcut guys. Okay, a by 3 equals b by 4 equals c by 7. Then a plus b plus c by c. Oh, very easy guys, very easy. We know that if variable is present in numerator and we have to find the value of variable, then the value of variable is present in the denominator. So a is 3, b is 4, c is 7. Substitute it here. So 3 plus b is what? 4 plus c is 7 by c means 7. So 3 plus 4 plus 7, 14. Divided by 7, 2. Yes. Correct answer is 2. Now a by b is 4 by 1 means a by b equals 4 by 1. You have to find this. A by b is square root. A by b square root means what? This. A by b means 4 by 1 square root plus b by a. B by a means 1 by 4 square root. Very simple guys. Very simple. बहुत simple guys. Now see here. 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. Correct. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. So 4 square root is what? 2. For this we will get the 2. Okay. Plus. Now 1 square root. 1 square root is what? 1 only. Because see, whatever you will do for 1, it will remain as 1. So see, 1 by 4. If I will write like this. If I will write like this, 1 by 4 square root, what does this mean? This means that square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. Correct? Square root of 1 is nothing but 1, square root of 4 is nothing but 2. So for here we will get 1 by 2. And you know how to solve this, right? This will get multiplied, 2 to the 4, and this will get add 4 plus 1 5, denominator will remain same, 5 by 2. Yeah, correct answer is 5 by 2. I know guys, I hope you know how to solve this one, right? So it will like 2 plus 1 by 2. What we will do, first of all we'll write the denominator as it is. Whatever the denominator, we'll write the denominator as it is. Then what will happen, this 2 will multiply every time, this 2 will multiply. So 2 to the 4, whatever this value, this 2 value will multiply, this 2 value will multiply, 2 to the 4. And then whatever the sign is there, if plus sign means this will get plus, if minus sign means this will get minus. So here we have a plus sign, so 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Okay, now guys I will tell you a very easy peasy trick. Chalo bhaiya, easy trick I will tell you, very easy. See, x by, see this type of question means they will ask this question only. This type of question means they will ask this question only. Okay, तो भैया देखो, x by b plus c minus a, y by c plus a minus b, z by a plus b minus c equals k. Then b minus c into x plus c minus a into y plus a minus b into z equals what? तो भैया देखो, if you will get this pattern, understand the pattern guys, in the examination you will get the same type of question, same pattern, just they will change the variable. In place of a b c they can give p q r l m n, okay, or d e f. तो भाई देखो, very important thing, with x what we have, b plus c, here with x b minus c. What we have with y, c plus a, but here with y c minus a. What we have with z, a plus b, here what we have with z, a minus b. Means see the sequence, plus minus plus minus plus minus. So what will happen, answer will come 0. If they will follow the same, guys, obviously they will follow the same sequence only, because for finding, if they will follow the any other sequence na, for finding this only it will take 4 to 5 minutes, which is not possible, which is not easy to solve. Okay, so that's why we will just check the pattern, b plus c, b minus c, c plus a, c minus a plus b, a minus b, opposite sign, so it will become 0. Okay, now next, सम. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस. ओ भैया देखो, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट भैया, देख लो भैया, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस, भारी इंपॉर्टेंट, भारी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस, भारी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी दे सेड दैट, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. Sum of age of 3 person is 150 years. Sum of age of 3 person is 50 years. Means first person age plus second person age plus third person age is 50 years. Means what they are talking? They are talking in present. They are talking in present. See, the sum of age of 3 person is, means they are talking in present. Correct? So sum means present, means now. So sum of age of 3 person is 150 year. So they are talking about sum of age of first person, second person, third person is how much? 150 years. 150 years. Okay. Now next, देखो भैया, next what they are saying? Next they say 10 years ago. 10 years ago, their age were in the ratio 7:8:9. Means 10 years ago. अरे ओ प्यारे, 10 years ago. 10 years ago, what their age? Guys, 10 years ago their age was 7x, 8x, 9x. Understand what they are saying? They are saying that now present the sum of age of 3 person is 150 years present. Okay, but 10 years ago, 10 years ago, if you'll talk about 10 years ago, their age was 7x, 8x, 9x. 10 years ago their age was 7x, 8x, 9x. So what the age, their age will be now? Guys, see, if 10 years ago your age is 20, so what is the age now? So 10 we will add, correct? 10 we will add, so 20 plus 10 it will become 30 years. So same they said, three persons, sum of the age of three person is 150. We don't know the present age, but they said that 10 years ago their age was 7x, 8x, 9x. So what will be their present age? Present age means now, 10 years after, 10 years after. So 10 years ago it was 7x, 8x, 9x. So present means 10 years, right? 10 years. So we'll add the 10 years. So it will become 7x 10 years ago, and now means what? We'll add the 10 years. So 10 years. 8x plus 10 years. 9x plus 10 years. This is the present age. That is equals to 150. So let's count this. So what will happen? X will add up. Okay. So 7x plus 8x plus 9. So 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 24x plus 10, 20, 30 equals 150. This plus 30 will go that side, it will become minus 30. So 24x is equal to 150 minus 30 is 120. So x is equals to 120. 120 divided by 24. X is 5. X is 5. What they asked? They asked this the present age. Present age khatam. 10 years ago their age was 7x, 8x, 9x. So present means 10 years ago. So we'll add the 10 years. Correct. So 7x plus 10, 8x plus 10, 9x plus 10. So these are their present age. 7x plus 10, 8x plus 10, 9x plus 10. So x we got as 5. So let's find this age. 7 5 the 35 plus 10, 45. This age is 8x. So 8 5 the 40 plus 10, 50. Now this age. This age is 9x. 9 5 the 45 plus 10, 55. If you will add all 45 plus 50 plus 55, 150 you are getting. The answer is yes, 45, 50, 55 is the correct answer. Okay, this is a concept, easy peasy concept guys, you have to understand. Ashte guys, ashte. That's it. Next. Oh, easy and very interesting. Ratio between the speed of two train is 3:8. So I will take the train speed 1. Okay, first train speed is 3x, second train speed is 8x. Okay, and what we say now? Correct. See, ratio between speed of two train is 3:8. So I will take the speed of first train as 3x, speed of second train as 8x. Now if the second train runs 400 kilometer in, not is guys, in. Okay, if the second train runs 400 kilometer in 5 hours. So bhaiya dekho, second train, see speed, what is the formula of speed? Distance by time. So what is the speed of second train? 8x. What are the distance it travels? See there, because they are talking about second train. I will see about the second train. The second train runs 400 kilometer. What is 400 kilometer? Bolo re pyare. 400 kilometer is the distance. In how many hours? 5 hours. So time is 5 hours. तो भैया कैंसिल करो ना रे. अरे ओ प्यारे देखो ना, 400 डिवाइड बाई 5, अरे क्या आएगा रे? 80 गाइस, 80. तो 8x is equals to 80. तो x is equals to 80 by 8, 10. X is equals to 10. What we have to find? The speed of first train. We have to find the speed of first train. What is the speed of first train? The speed of first train is 3x. X is 10. So 3 10 the 30. 30. Answer is 30 kilometer per hour. Khatam khalas. Here guys, see, they told about second train distance and second train time. So we know the speed of second train. We will use the formula of speed equals distance by time for second train, because they had given for second train. We will use for second train. Oh जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज़ियाँ हुई और जिंदगी में आना. Okay, चलो भैया. अरे ओ प्यारे आ जाओ. Now this is a very easy, very important, and we already did this type of question. Now see, till here every question says about the ratio. See the ratio, see previous ratio. This is also in the form of ratio. This is ratio, proportion. So this all indicate the ratio, proportion. We'll get to know that yes, we are dealing with ratio and proportion. Guys, let me complete this 57 questions. Then what we will do? Then we will solve the ratio and proportion questions what they asked in Jan 2026, because many of the student is saying that sir, it is very difficult, sir, they asked in a very difficult manner, it is very difficult. No bhaiya, it is not difficult, it is really easy peasy guys, it is really easy. Just the thing is you have to understand the concept. Let's see after solving these 57 questions how we'll solve. So question number 24 and then question number 27, these two questions are ratio and proportion. The two questions, ratio and proportion, we will solve after solving this 57 question. We'll solve these two questions also. So let's wait. See, one kind of rice cost rupees 40 kg and other kind of rice cost rupees 50 per kg. In what proportion? We get to know proportion questions, right? This is the proportion question we did in the class also. Alligation and mixture question. See, one kind of rice cost 40 rupees and other kind of rice cost 50 rupees and they are in proportion. So bhaiya dekho, very simple thing, very simple guys, very simple. One rice is cost 40, another rice is cost 50. Okay, in what proportion they should be mixed so that average cost of mixture is 48. Average cost of mixture is 48. So guys, see here, this for each kind we will write here and the average we will write it here. Okay, for each kind we will write here first kind, second kind, and then average we will write it here. And then we have to find in what proportion. We have to find in what proportion, means we have to find these two values. We have to find these two values. So bhaiya dekho, for finding these two values very simple guys. Subtract bigger number from smaller. Means see, we will subtract this 2, we will get it here, then we will subtract this 2, we will get it here. That's it. So kind or simple kind, singular kind, or each kind we will write here, each kind we will write here, and here we will write the guys average cost. Here we will write the average cost. Each kind cost we will write it here, here we will write the average cost. Then we will subtract this 2, we will get here the proportion. Then we'll subtract this 2, we will get here the proportion. So in the question they will say that in what proportion. That means that this question is of ratio and proportion. Okay. So bhaiya see, subtract means what we have to subtract. Bigger will subtract from smaller. So which is bigger? 50. 50 minus 48 will get 2. And this is our 40 minus 48 not. Bigger will subtract with smaller. So 48 minus 40 will get 8. So answer will get is 2:8. 2:8 means 1:4. Yes, answer is 1:4. Okay. Now next, one kind of tea cost 47.50 and another kind of tea cost rupees 50.50. So again we will write the cost. Chalo. Cost of one tea guys, cost of one tea is how much? It costs 47.50. 47.50. Other tea cost, other tea how much is cost? It is costing 50.5. Okay, so we get to know both the kind. See, one kind of tea cost 47.50, so we'll write the first kind of tea here, the cost of first kind. Then and the other kind of tea cost rupees 50.50, so we'll write the other tea cost. Okay, one kind cost, other kind cost. Here we have to write the average cost. So average cost in what proportion? Okay, the question is the proportion. They should be mixed so that the seller can sell it. Now guys, very important. Chalo bhai dekho. Guys, what we have to write? This side we will write the one kind cost. This side we will write the other kind cost. Then middle we will write the average cost. Understand guys, we have to write the cost. Cost means cost price. What we have to write? We have to write the cost price. Okay, not the selling price, not the profit. We have to write the cost price. So first side we will write the cost price of one kind. Next side we will write the cost price of other kind. In the middle we will write the average cost price. And then we will subtract the bigger from higher. We will get the, yes, proportion. We will get the proportion. So here they said in what proportion they should be mixed so that seller can sell it. So guys, seller can sell it. So this is what? This is the selling price. 60.25. Sorry. 60.625. 60.625 is the selling price, because what they said, they should mix so that seller can sell it. So seller can sell it. So seller can sell it means 60.625. that is the selling price is 60.625 and earns a profit of 20%. Right, देखो profit of 20% of selling price. So 20% of selling price means what? See, profit equals what? 20%. So 20% means, guys, 20 by 100 is a 20%, right? 20% on selling price. On selling price. So selling price is 60.625. So we will get the profit here. So guys, what will happen? 20 divided by 100, whatever you are getting, into 60.625. So we'll get 12.125 is the profit. So this is the selling price, this is the profit. Guys, what we have to write here? We have to write here is the cost price. So what is the formula for cost price? Selling price minus profit is the cost price. So selling price is what? Selling price is 60.625 minus profit is what? 12.125. So we'll get the 48.5. We will get the cost price. So average cost price we have to write here. Okay, so here they will ask the two type of question. First is they will give the first kind of cost price of other kind, and they will give the average cost price. You have to find the proportion. What we have to find? We have to find the proportion. The proportion means, we know, guys, we will subtract this two value, we will get this value proportion, then we'll subtract this two value, we'll get this value proportion. So subtracting means bigger value minus smaller value. That they will give direct. Another is what? Another means they will give the cost price of one kind, cost price of other kind, but they will not give the average cost price. Here they will give the selling price and profit. So first we will write, because see here they will say that so that the mixed, so that seller can sell. Sell means selling price is given and profit is given. 20% on selling price. 20% means 20 by 100 on selling price means into selling price. So we'll get the profit. So selling price and profit will be given. Second type is what? For average cost price, they will give the selling price and profit. So we have to find the selling price separate, we have to find the profit separate, then cost price formula is what? Selling price minus profit. When you will do, you will get this value, average cost price. Okay, this is important. Now minus 50.50 minus 48.50, will get the 2. Yes. And then 47 point means this 48.50 minus 47.50 will get 1. Answer is 2:1. Yeah, answer is 2:1. Khatam. So this is another type, guys. What we have to do, they will give the cost price of one kind, cost price of other kind, but they will not give the average cost price. In place of average cost price, they will give the selling price and profit. So selling price will write as it is, then profit we have to find. Profit we have to find. Then after finding the profit, we will find the cost price. Cost price is what? Selling price minus profit. Then we'll get the average cost price, and then we'll do the normal method. Okay, now x plus y divided by x minus y is 4/3, guys. Very simple thing. We'll do the cross multiplication. Khatam. So what we will get? X plus y divided by x minus y equals 4/3. Right, I hope you're understanding, right? I hope, pyare bolo re bhaiya. Yes, you have to keep on telling, yes sir, understand sir. So multiply bhaiya, see the cross multiplication. So 3x plus 3y equal 4x minus 4y. What I will do, I will bring the x one side, I will send the y other side. So this is a 3x and this is what, plus 4x. When plus 4x will come that side, it will become minus 4x equal, this is already minus 4y, and this is what, this is a plus 3y. When plus 3y will go that side, it will become minus 3y. So 3x minus 4x is nothing but minus x. If you don't know guys, take the calculator and do 3 minus 4. See, 3 minus 4, you will get minus 1, means minus 1x. Then minus 4 minus 3, take out the calculator, do minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, you will get minus 7y. Minus minus will get मोई मोई. तो भैया देखो, x equals 7y. What we have to find? We have to find x is to y. Again ratio came, means this is a ratio question guys. Here the word proportion, here the word proportion, means this is a ratio and proportion question. What I will be doing guys, with solving I will tell you that how you are going to identify that this question belongs to which chapter. Because in the examination, if suppose appi tappi, if they will mix, they will jumble and they will give you, so that's why you will not get confused that which chapter question is this. Okay, so if in the question the ratio is given, or they will write the proportion. Till now I have shown you each and every question, so like that you will use the ratio and proportion concept. Okay, so like that when we will solve the other chapter also, by reading the question I will tell you that how you are going to determine that which chapter question is this. Okay, so it will become very easy for you to analyze the questions, okay, for detecting the questions in the examination, so it will become very easy. Okay, see, we have to find x by y. We have to find x by y. Arey oh pyare, x by y. X by y means x is here, y is this side. I will bring the y to this side. So y here is in multiply. When it will come this side, it will go in divide. The x by y is what? 7 is this side. 7. 7 I can write 7 by 1. So x is to y is nothing but 7 is to 1. Answer is 7 is to 1. Okay, like this we are going to find it. Right? Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. 3 bag full. Okay, Aada bhaiya. Guys, see, a bag contains 23 numbers of coins. A bag contains 23 number of coin, means total number of coin is how much? 23. A bag contains 23 number of coins, means total number of coin a bag is having 23. In a bag, if you will count, total number of coin is 23. In the form of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee coins. Okay, so a bag is there. In a bag we have a total number of coin is 23 coins, which consists of 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. So total sum of the coin is 43. So if you take out the coin, all the 23 coin, which include 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins, and when you will count, you will see that total sum is 23 rupees. Okay, total sum is what? Total sum is 23 rupees. The ratio between, now ratio between 1 rupee and 2 rupee is 3:2. Then the number of 1 rupee coin. Okay guys, again see here ratio they had given, means this is the question of ratio and proportion. Okay, so bhaiya dekho, simple guys, simple thing. They have given the ratio between 1 rupee and 2 rupee coin is 3:2. Ratio between 1 rupee and 2 rupee coin is 3:2. So bhaiya dekho, what I will write here, I will take the new page. Okay, so what is given guys, see, number of 1 rupee coin is what? 3:2. 3:2, so I will take it as a 3x. And then number of 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin means 2x. Okay, so next, see, number of 1 rupee coin, they had given the ratio between the ratio, already they have used the word ratio, means ratio chapter. The ratio between 1 rupee and 2 rupee coin, so ratio of 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin is 3:2. So 1 rupee coin is what? Number of 1 rupee coin is 3x, number of 2 rupee coin is 2x. But what about the number of 5 rupee coin? Because number of 5 rupee coin is not there. We will find it simple. See, number of 5 rupee coin means what? Means we have a total coin, in that we will remove the 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. The remaining is 5 rupee coin, right? a bag which is having 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, that total number is 23. Correct. So for finding the only 5 rupee coin, what we will do, from total is how much, from total 23 number of coin, we will minus the 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. So 23 the total number of coin, in that we will minus 3 plus 2, 5x, that is 1 rupee and 2 rupee. So remaining is what, 5 rupee coin. Remaining is what, 5 rupee coin. So 5 rupee coin is 23 minus 5x. Okay. Now guys, we will see the sum of coins. Sum of coins is what, 43. Sum of coins is what, 43. So bhaiya, sum of coin is 43, means the coin is 1 rupee coin is how much, 3x. The 1 rupee coin is 3x. Sum means what, plus. Then 2 rupee coin is 2x. So 2 rupee coin is the 2x. Then sum means plus. 5 rupee coin is this 23 minus 5x. The 5 rupee coin is 23 minus 5x. So 5 into 23 minus 5x, which is total equals to 43. Okay, so 3x plus 2 to the 4x plus c, 5 into 23. 5 into 23. You will get 115. 5 minus 5x, 25x equals 43. So add 3x plus 4x, 7x. 7x minus 25. So 7 minus 25 will get minus 18x. Minus 18x equals, see this side is 43. What I will do, this is a constant. So plus 15 will go that side. So it will become minus 115. So minus 18x is equals to 43 minus 115. Will get minus 72. Minus minus will get cancelled. So x equals what, 72 divided by 18. 72 divided by 18, you will get 4. X value is 4. What we have to find? We have to find the number of 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin, how many 1 rupee coin is there? 1 rupee coin is 3x. So 3 into x value is what, 4. So 3 for the 12. Answer is, answer, yes, answer is 12. Yeah, correct answer is 12. Okay, so this is a concept you have to use. Okay, the ratio compounded, guys, again compounded ratio means ratio, right? Ratio formula. The ratio compounded of 4:5, 9:7. Okay, the ratio compounded of 4:5, 9:7, the triplicate ratio of 3:4, and the triplicate guys, the ratio compounded of 4:5, 9:7, triplicate ratio of 3:4, okay, and the triplicate ratio of 2:3, and the triplicate ratio of 2:3 is, guys, means what we have to find, the ratio compounded, means we have to find the compounded ratio. Correct. What we have to find? We have to find the compounded ratio. Right, we have to find the compounded ratio, and compounded ratio formula is what, guys? We know compounded ratio formula is, yes, product of antecedent divided by product of consequent. So what is the ratio they had given? The ratio of 4:5, comma 9:7. The 4:5, 9:7, right? Product of antecedent divided by product of consequent. So what I will do, I will write one only. Then triplicate ratio of 3:4. Triplicate means cube. So 3:4. Triplicate ratio of 3:4. Triplicate ratio of 3:4 means cube. So 3 cube is 3 3 9, 27. 4 cube means 4 4 the 16. Oh bhaiya, are oh pyare, 3 cube means don't do in the calculator. 3 into 3 sir 9. 3 cube means what you will write? 3 into 3 into 3. You will multiply 3 times. 4 cube means we will multiply 4 3 times. Means 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64, like that. If you will do in the examination 4 3 the 12. Okay. And the triplicate ratio of 2:3. triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. So triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 means 2 power 3 is 8, 3 power 3 is 27. भैया देख लो 2 power 3 please don't do in the examination 2 3 the 6 नहीं भाई. 2 power 3 means what? 2 power 3 means 2 we will multiply 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, like that. Now we'll 27 27 will get cancelled. Okay, 8 1 the 8, 8 8 the 64, it will get cancelled. 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 8, it will get cancelled. Now numerator anything is getting cancelled. No, numerator we have a 9 divided by denominator we have a 5 7 the 35, 35 to the 70, 9 by 70. Yes, correct answer is 9 is to 70. Okay, this is done. Now a is to b is this much, b is to c is this much, then find a is to b is to c. Same continued ratio, you know how to find the continued ratio, right? A is to b is 2 is to 3, b is to c is 5 is to 7. You have to find a is to b is to c. You know how to find the continued ratio. I will just write on the answer. 10 is to 15 is to 21. 10 is to 15 is to 21. This is how we will find the continued ratio. Already guys we did 4 to 5 sums how to find the continued ratio, correct? So use the same method, we will find the continued ratio. Okay, so a is to b is 3 is to 4 means a by b is 3 by 4. You have to find this. Very simple guys, very simple. Just substitute the a value. So a is what? We know numerator equals numerator, denominator equals denominator. A is 3, b is 4. So 2 3 the 6, 6 plus 3 4 the 12, 6 plus 12 is 18. So 18 is to 18 divided by 3 3 the 9, 9 plus 4 4 the 16, 25. 18 by 25, it will get cancelled. No, correct answer is yes, 18 is to 25 is the correct answer. Okay, next. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If 4 be subtracted from each, they are in the ratio 3 is to 5. I think so we did this sum, right? Wait. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Yeah, this thing, right? See, the question is, two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3 means 2x by 3x. Correct. See, 2x by 3x. And then if 4 is subtracted from each, 4 is subtracted from each, ratio will be 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. Yeah, the numbers are correct. 16 and 24. 16 and 24. Yeah guys, see this type of sums already we did, and this is the again repeated question. It happens guys. See, I told the same type of question repeated and all, it will come. Okay, next. So this type of questions you already know, so you can do that type of question. Okay. Okay, next. If x is equals to x is to y. Okay, p q r 3 cities, again the same repeated question we skipped. Okay, fine. Now x is to y is 3 by 4 means x by y equals 3 by 4. Numerator equals to numerator, denominator equals to denominator. The x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4. Now you have to solve this. X square into y plus x y square is 2 means divided by x cube plus y cube. Try to solve this one because this already we know guys, right? X by y equals 3 by 4. So x is equals to 3, y equals to 4. Numerator equals numerator, denominator equals denominator. So we know this. Just substitute the value. I will write down the answer guys. Correct answer is 12 is to 13. Correct answer is 12 is to 13. Just substitute the value. X is 3, y is 4 in this, and just check it out. You are getting 12 is to 13 or not. Okay, you will get, obviously guys, you will get. Guys, see here. Wait. Okay, fine. This question guys we will do, obviously this type of question we have to do by trial and error method. So we will follow the what will follow? We'll see the options. We'll see the option. So I'm going to write the option, guys. First of all, I'm going to write the option. So with the help of option, I can explain you bit easily. The option A is k equals 6xy. Option B is 2k equals 3xy. Option C is k square equals 6xy. Option D is none of this. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Because see, this consists of long calculation. So why we will do? We will simplify by the help of this. What you can say? Yes, trial and error. See, if 2x is to 3y, so what they have told? They told 2x is to 3y. Okay. Is means equal. Is. Duplicate ratio means what? Jaldi bolo re bhaiya. Are oh pyare. Duplicate means square. Duplicate means what? Square. The square of 2x minus k. Square of 2x minus k is to 3y minus k. 3y minus k square. Correct. So how we can write this? We can write like this: 2x by 3y equals 2x minus k whole square divided by 3y minus k whole square. Correct. So guys, we know this is of which form? This is of the form a minus b whole square. This is the form a minus b whole square. So it is, what is the formula of a minus b? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So see, this will be as it is. 2x by 3y will be as it is. Then a square, the 2x whole square. See, 2x whole square means first we'll do 2 square. 2 square is 4. Then we will do x square. So like this. Okay. So 4x square plus b square. B is what? K square minus 2ab. So 2 into a is 2x into b is k. So 2 to the 4. 4xk. 4xk divided by, now this also same, a minus b whole square. So a square, a means 3 square is 9y square, 9y square plus b square, b is k square minus what? 2ab. So 2 into a is 3, 4 into b is k. So 3 to the 6, 6yk. Correct. After that, now what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. We will do cross multiplication. So see, 2x will multiply with all, 2x into 9y square. So 2 9 the 18x into y square. So it will become 18x into y square. Next, 2x into k square. So it will remain same plus 2xk square. Next, minus 2x will multiply with this, 2x into 6yk. So 2 6 the 12xyk minus 12xyk equals to, now this will multiply, 3y will multiply with this. So 4 3 the 12 x square. 12, I will write x square y. Then 3y, it will remain same, 3y plus 3yk square. Then minus, so 3 for the 12xyk. So minus 12xyk. Okay. Now very important thing, guys. Here we have to see the option. Option is in, sorry, this is k, sorry. Option is k, 2k, k square. Okay, so now just check it out. Just check it out. I see option is k, 2k, k square. So now see here, we have k square. We have k square. And then we have k and k. But see, this k, we cannot able to justify whether this k will come here or here. So guys, very simple thing I will tell you, very simple thing I will tell you. We will see the highest power. We will see the highest power. What is the power of this k? 1. What is the power of this k? 1. What is the power of this k? 2. So just check it out, k square is present or not. K square is present or not. So we will see that yes, k square and k square is present on both the side. Means highest power is k square. The answer will be this, the highest power. Guys, what we will do, understand, first thing we will write as per the question, then we will simplify, we will do the cross multiplication, after that we will get in this form. So here guys, just check it out from the option, check it out the highest power. This is k power 1, k power 1, k power 2. So k power 2 means k square. K square is present here or not. So if you will see, yes, k square is present. The correct answer will be k square. If k square is not present, then we have to simplify and we have to write in the form of k. But k square, the highest power is present, means that is only the answer. If you know guys, in the class I did that answer, p square equals 6st, correct? So in that we will see that what is the highest power, p square. So p square is present, yes, p square was present in the expression. So final answer was p square equals 6st. Correct? We did that type of question, right? So similar to that only, and the same concept we will follow in this type of question, guys. Okay, next, divide 27 into two parts. So we have to divide 27 into two parts. This is very simple, guys. Whenever, see, this is a little bit, okay, देखो इधर duplicate ratio, we get to know ratio. So divide 27 into two parts, so that 5 times the first and 11 times the second together equal to 195. Then the ratio of first and second part is, so guys, question is of ratio. We have to find the ratio. So this question is of what? Ratio chapter. See, divide 27 into two parts. See, this concept already we studied where? Yes, this concept already we studied in equation chapter. Like whenever we have to divide the two number, what we will do? First we will take it as a x, second will become 27 minus x. And I hope you know this concept. This we already studied in the equation chapter. This is the concept of equation chapter, where what we have to do, where whenever we have to split the two number, first number we will take it as a x, the second is 27 minus x. Correct? There we did the question. 45 is split into two parts. The first part is x, another part is 45 minus x. Correct? This is the concept we are going to use whenever they will say the number is divided into two parts or split into two parts. So they said divide 27 into two parts such that 5 times the first and 11 times the second. So 5 times the first. So 5 times the first means 5x and means plus 11 times the second. 11 times the second means this 27 minus x. This is the first part. This is the second part. Second together equal to 195. Together that is equals to 195. Fine, you have to find the ratio of first and second part. Guys, we know how to solve this. 5x plus 11 into 27 we will do. We'll get 297. 297 minus 11x equals 195. So what I will do, this is a constant. I will send the constant to other side. So 5x minus 11x. If you don't know, take out the calculator. Just do 5 minus 11. You will get minus 6. Minus 6, what is this? X. So minus 6x equals, see, this is already 195. This is plus 297. When plus 297 will go that side, will become minus 297. So we'll do in the calculator 195 minus 297. You will get minus 102. Minus 6x equals minus 102. Minus minus will get cancelled. The 6x equals 102. The x equals 102 divided by 6. You will get 17. x is 17. So we have to find the ratio of first part by second part. The first part is what? X means 17. 17 divided by second part is what? 27 minus x. 27 minus 17 is 10. Answer is 17 is to 10. Yes, correct. Next, what must be added to each? Right. See, this type of question is of what? See, again they said proportion. Sorry, ratio. So we get to know, okay, ratio is given in this question is of again ratio ko chapter. But I see this type of question already we did in the proportion. We already did in the proportion by what? By using trial and error method. By what? By using trial and error method. So guys, देखो, what they said, what must be added. So there we studied the two things, either what must be added or what must be subtracted. So anything they will give, if they will give what must be added, we will take x must be added, or if they will say what must be subtracted, we will say x must be subtracted. Okay, and here also guys, in this question also, what must be added or what must be subtracted, here also we will take trial and error method. So options are 3, 5, 8, 9. They ask what must be added. So I will say x must be added to each term of ratio 49 is to 68. So guys, we know the ratio is 49 is to 68. They said what must be added. I will take x must be added to this. So it will become, so that it become 3 is to 4. So that it become 3 is to 4. So guys, simple thing we already did in the class and we will know how to do. Just what we will do here is, we will divide this 3 is to 4. So divide this 3 divided by 4, we will get 0.75. Now what we will do, we will do trial and error method. First we will take, first option is what? 3. So in place of x we will keep 3. So 49 plus 3, 52. 52 divided by 68 plus 3, 71. 52 divided by 71 will get 0.73, but we want 0.75, so this is not a correct option. Second is after 3, 5. So 49 plus 5, 54. 54 divided by 68 plus 5, 73. We will get 0.73, again 0.73. We want 0.79, no. Then C number is 8. The 49 plus 8 is what? 53, 57. 57 divided by 68 plus 8, 76. Yes, exactly, we are getting 0.75. So option 8 is the correct answer. Option 8 is the correct answer. Okay. Option 8 na? Yes, option 8 is the correct answer. So like this guys, we can solve by trial and error method. Okay, now next, in a department the number of male and females are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Again ratio chapter. So in a department they told the number of male and female, so male by female they have taken, right? The number of male and female 3 is to 2 means 3x by 2x. If 2 males and 5 females join department, 2 males, तो भैया देखो 2 males and 5 females join the department, so what will happen? The ratio becomes 1 is to 1. Initially the number of females, we have to find the female in the department, so ratio is 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. What we will do? Yes, we will do the cross multiplication, we will get the value of x. So let this 1 into anything will be same, 3x plus 2, and 1 into this it will remain same, 2x plus 5. So x I will bring this side, constant I will send that side. So this is what? 3x, this plus 2x will come that side, it will become minus 2x. Okay, and this is a plus 5 and this is a plus 2. When plus 2 will go that side, it will become minus 2. So 3x minus 2x, it will be x equals 5 minus 2, that is 3. So x equals 3. We got the x value is 3. We have to find for female. The female is what guys? See, starting female is 2x. Starting female is 2x. We will not say 2x plus 5 because see the question what they asked. initially the number of female, so initially the number of female is 2x. Initially the number of female is 2x, the x is 3, so 2 3 the 6. Correct answer is, yeah, correct answer is 6. Yes. Okay, now next, see, wherever the option is required, I will give you the option there only. Where the option is not required, I'm not going to give the option there. Okay, because you have to use your mind, chittusa brain. You have to use your small brain, and then you have to see that where you are going to use which method. Okay. Now next, the number which has same ratio. So I will take the number as x. So number means x. X has the same ratio to 36. See, again the ratio question. The number means I will take the number as x. Number x has the same ratio to 36 that 6 has to 13. Okay, this is another important question. They said the number which has the same ratio to 26. I will take the number as x. So x is the number which has the same ratio to 36. So x ratio to 26, sorry, 26. X ratio to 26, that has 6 has to 13. So 6 is 13. So we have to find the value of x, guys. We'll do the cross multiplication. Means this. See, 26 will go here. So it will multiply like this. So x equals what? 6 into 20, sorry, 6 into 26, whatever you are getting, divided by 13, so 12. Yes, correct answer is 12. Okay, next, fourth proportion to this, guys. We have to find the fourth proportion. The first proportion, second proportion, third proportion, fourth proportion I will take as x. Fourth proportion I will take as x. The first proportion is 2a divided by second proportion is a square, third proportion is c, fourth proportion is x. So what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. It will become 2a into x equals c into a square. We have to find x, so 2a will go that side, so it will be divide, because see, 2a here is in multiply. When it will go that side, it will be divide. So c into a square by 2a. Guys, see, a and a will get cancelled. So we will get c into a by 2. The x is equal to c into a by 2. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Okay. See, if 4 number, this is not nice. If 4 number is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by x are proportion. Again, ratio and proportion. Here also find the fourth proportion. So ratio and proportion. Then x we have to find. So see, first proportion, second proportion, third proportion, fourth proportion. We have to find x. So we'll write like this. First proportion 1 by 2. Second proportion is 1 by 3. Then next equal third proportion is 1 by 5. Next the fourth proportion is 1 by x. So we know, pyare. See, this we know how to solve. When ratio means when both numerator and denominator is in fraction, we will write the numerator as it is. We'll change the divide sign to multiply sign, and the denominator will become reciprocal. So 1 by 3 means 3 by 1. So same here, numerator and denominator is in reciprocal. So what we will do? We'll write the numerator as it is. We will remove the divide sign to multiply, and the denominator will become reciprocal. So guys, 3 1 the 3 by 2 1 the 2. 3 by 2 equals 1 into x, x by 5 1 the 5. So guys, we have to find the value of x. What we will do? The 5 will go that side, means it will multiply. So 3 into 5 divided by 2, we will get x. So 3 5 the 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Answer is yes. Also okay. Option is 15 by 2 only. Khatam. Option is 15 by 2. That's it. Okay. Next we will see. Wait a moment, guys. चलो भैया नेक्स्ट आ जाओ रे भैया, अरे ओ प्यारे। ओके नाउ गाइस नेक्स्ट, इफ 3x minus 2 by 5x plus 6 is a duplicate ratio, चलो भैया, so we'll write 3x minus 2 divided by 5x plus 6, 5x plus 6 is means equal, is means equal duplicate ratio of 2 by 3, duplicate ratio means what, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो रे प्यारे, duplicate ratio means square, so square of 2 by 3 means 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so 3x minus 2 by 5x plus 6 equals 4 by 9, so what will happen, cross multiplication will happen रे प्यारे, अरे ओ भैया आ जाओ, so what will happen guys, this will multiply, अरे ओ भैया करते रहो रे भैया, 9 3 the 27x, oh my god how many x here minus 9 to the 18 equals 4 5 the 20x plus 6 4 the 24, wow what a calculation, see this plus 20 will come that side, we will write minus 20, अरे भैया लिखते चलो भैया, this is already plus 24, this is the minus 18 will go that side, will become plus 18, so 27x minus 20x khatam, only 7x you have, very less x, then 24 plus 18 you will get 42, so 7x is equal to 42, so x equals 42 divided by 7, that is 6, we got x value as 6, what we have to find the x is 6, answer is 6, khatam guys, khatam okay now next, ratio of number of boys and number of girls in a school is found to be 15:32, तो नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, सी अगेन रेशियो क्वेश्चन है तो रेशियो का, यहाँ पास भी थी डुप्लीकेट रेशियो, तो रेशियो का, by seeing this question we'll understand guys, ratio of number of boys and number of girls, the boys is to girls is 15:32, oh my god, boys is to girls, only boys girls, I am lover also, fighter also, boys is to girls is 15:32, means क्या लेंगे भैया, 15x and 32x, 15x and 32x, how many boys and equal number of girls should be added, guys see very simple thing they had given, they asked how many boys, yes, when we have to find anything we will take it as a x, so how many boys, so I will say x boys and equal number of girls, means if x boys is there to equal number of girls means x girl only, okay, they asked how many boys, so I will take as x boys, because we know whatever we have to find we'll take as x, so how many boys means we'll take as x boys, and equal number of girls means equal number of girls, same number of girls, means if you are taking as x boys so we will take a equal number of girls, means x girls should be added, means here 15x is to 32x, here same number of boys and equal number of girls should be added to bring the ratio 2:3, to bring the ratio 2:3, okay so what we will do guys, here 15x plus x 16x divided by 32x plus x means 33x equals 2/3, do the cross multiplication, एक minute, 16 into 3 it will become 43x equals 66x, x will get cancelled, what we have to find, oh, we have to find the value of x will only get cancelled, so bhaiya हाँ guys, now see very important thing, now if we will take this boys and girls as 15x and 32x, and next they asked is what, how many boys, so we'll take x boys only, if we will see that x boys only added and equal number of girls means x girls will only add, so if you will do this you will see here 48x is equal to 66x, x will get cancelled, so we are not going to get the value, this means what we have to do, this means guys we have to do a simple things, what the simple thing we will do is, this we will not consider as a x, This we will take it as a boys is to girls, means 15 is to 32. We will take 15 is to 32. And they asked is how many boys. So I will take as x number of boys and equal number of girls, means same x number of girls should be added. So the ratio will become 2 by 3. Now we will do the cross multiplication. So 3 will multiply with both, 2 will multiply with both. So 315 the 45 plus 3 into x. 3x equals 232 the 64 plus 2x. So this will come this side, this will go this side. So 45 is already this side, the plus 64 will come this side, will become minus 64, and 2x is already that side, so plus 3x will go, it will become minus 3x. तो भैया चलो 45 minus 64, तो बोलो भैया minus 19 equals 2x minus x is minus, sorry, 2x minus 3x. As if you don't know x is the same, you will write the x and then 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, you will get minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but this minus x. Minus minus will get cancelled, x equals 19. Yes, answer is 19. Answer is what? Answer is 19. To understand this thing, guys, if like this previous we have seen, right, 48x equals 66x, x is getting cancelled. So that type of things will come, means understand, just use the logic. What we will do here, just we will take the boys is to girls as 15 is to 32 only. 15 is to 32. We will not write 15x and 32x. We will write 15 is to 32 only. Okay, 15 is to 32. And they asked how many boys. So x number of boys and equal number of girls, means x number of girls. Now we will do the cross multiplication. We will get x equals 19. That is only the correct answer. Okay. Now next. Okay guys, one more question is there. I am dictating the question and according to that question I am writing it here. So listen the question carefully. They said in a certain business A and B received profit in a certain ratio. Okay, what they said, in a certain business is there, A and B received profit in certain ratio. So they use the word ratio, means ratio chapter. So in a certain ratio means A by B get a profit in certain ratio, comma, B and C received profit in same ratio. So means whatever the ratio A and B got the profit, B and C got the profit in same ratio. The ratio will remain same. Okay. If A gets 1600, A value is 1600, and C gets 2500. This is a B, this is a B. C gets 2500. How much does B get? So B is this. So what we will do? Obviously we will do the cross multiplication. So 2500 into 1600, you will get, oh my god, 40, 1 2 3 4 5 60. 1 2 3 4 5 60 equals B into B is B square. So what will happen? We have to find the B. So B equals square will go that side, means square root of this much. So whatever you will get the answer, do the square root. So B is equals to 2000. The B value is 2000. Okay. In the question they said that A and B received a profit in certain ratio, comma, B and C received the profit in same ratio. So A and B received the profit in whatever ratio, so A by B, and B and C received the profit in same ratio. So A by B profit is equals to B by C. And they are given the A value, C value, we have to find the B value. That's it. Okay. Now we will see the next. Okay. Okay, this is another important. Salary of A, B and C are in ratio 2:3:5. So I will write the salary of A is to B is to C in 2:3:5. Means 2x, 3x, 5x. Okay. So salary of A, B and C are in the ratio 2:3:5. 2x, 3x, 5x. If increase. Guys, this is increment. Okay, if increment of 15%, 10% and 20% are allowed. So guys, see, this is what this we will call as old salary. Old salary of A is 2x, 3x, 5x. Now increment happen. Increment of 15%, 10% and 20%. Okay, increment of 15%, 10% and 20% are allowed respectively to their salary. Then what will be the new ratio of their salaries? Ratio, again ratio guys. See here, ratio, again ratio. So ratio of their salary means we have to find the new salary. Guys, see how we will find the new salary. For finding the new salary, we have a simple formula. From old salary, what we have to do? We have to add the, from old salary we have to add the increment. We will get the new salary, right? If someone will ask what is your new salary, you will say old salary was suppose 20,000, increment is 5,000. So old salary plus increment. So 20,000 plus 5,000 increment, you will say 25,000 is my new salary. New salary means old salary plus increment. Old salary plus increment is the new salary. The old salary is what? 2x plus increment is 15%, means 15 by 100. So increment of what? Guys, increment of what? So increment of old salary only, right? If I will ask you, if I will give you 15% increment, you will ask, no, sir, 15% increment of what? So I will say 15% increment of old salary. Suppose you are working in any firm, your salary is 1 lakh. Okay, your salary is 1 lakh per month. 1 lakh per month. Bike, girl, scooty. Okay, chalo bhai, chalo focus hai. So suppose your salary is 1 lakh per month. Okay. Now if I will say there, you will come and you will ask, sir, give increment. I will tell you, okay, 10% increment. So guys, 10% increment of what you understand? Yes, you will understand 10% increment of old salary. Correct. 10% increment means of what? 10% increment. 10% increment of old salary. So same here, old salary is 2x plus increment. So increment means what? Increment 15%. 15% increment of what? 15% increment of old salary. So increment is 15% of old salary. Okay. Next, this for A. Now B means new salary. New salary of B means old salary. Old salary is 3x plus increment. Plus increment is 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. So increment of what? Increment 10%. 10% of what? 10% of old salary only. Increment means what? 10% of what? Old salary. So 10% of old salary. This is B. C means same. New salary means old salary is 5x plus increment. Increment means what? 20% increment. So 20% increment of what? Yes, 20% increment of old salary. The 20% increment of old salary means 20% means this 20 by 100. 20% increment of old salary. So bhaiya dekho, don't do this anything. Just see what we know. Like see, we know that denominator will remain same. Denominator will remain same. Here also denominator is 100. Denominator will remain same. Here also denominator is same. Denominator will remain same. Now what we know? We know that this will multiply. This will multiply. Right? This will multiply. This will multiply. So 100 into 2, 200x. And this will get add. So see 15 to the, this is 30x. 10 into 3, 30x. 20 into 50, 100x. So this is 100 into 2, guys, 200x plus 30x. It will become 230x. Then 100 into 3, 300x plus 30x means 330x. Then 100 into 5, 500x plus 100x, that is 600x. So 100 will get cancelled, x will get cancelled, 0 will get cancelled. The ratio you will get is 23 is to 33 is to 60. The answer is this, 23 is to 33 is to 60. Okay, so remember the thing is, new salary means old salary plus increment. Old salary plus increment, but increment of what? Old salary plus increment. So increment of what? Increment of old salary. Increment of old salary. Okay. Now next, X, Y and Z are together starts business. Okay, X, Y, Z, they together starts the business. If X invest 3 times as much as Y invest. Okay, so what we understand here, guys, X, how much X is investing? X is investing 3 times as Y. So 3Y. And Y invest 2/3 of Z invest. So what we get to know, bhaiya, Y invest 2/3 of Z invest. Okay. Then ratio, again the question is of ratio. Ratio of X, Y and Z. We have to find the ratio of X, Y, Z. So guys, very simple, guys, very simple. See, X equals 3Y. So how we can write? See, Y will come this side. So what will come? X divided by Y equals 3. 3 means I can write 3 by 1. Correct? See, Y, but this here Y is in multiply. So Y will come this side. So it will be in divide. So X by Y means what is remaining here? 3 is remaining. 3 by 1. And here what will happen? Z is this side. So Z will come this side. If Z will come this side, what will happen? It will be Y divided by Z. And what is the remaining this side? 2 by 3. So see, X by Y equals 3 by 1. Y by Z equals 2 by 3. Now guys, what we will do? Jaldi bolo re bhaiya. Are oh pyare bolo re jaldi jaldi. Yes, we will do a continued ratio. Already guys, we did a continued ratio. Many problems we did before. So same we will do the continued ratio. So X by Y equals 3 by 1. Like this we will write bhaiya. X by Y equals 3 by 1. Y by Z equals 2 by 3. Then we will find the value of X, Y, Z by continued ratio. The X is what? X will multiply with Y, 3 to the 6. Y is what? Y is here and then Y is here. So Y will multiply with Y. 1 into 2, 2. What is Z? Z is here. So from Y to Z, 1 into 3 is 3. It will get cancelled. No. So 6 to 3. Yes, answer is 6 is to 2 is to 3. That is X is to Y is to Z. Khatam. Now next. Okay. The ratio of price of two fans. Ratio of price of two fans was 16 is to 23. So bhaiya, two fans ka price is 16 is to 23. So what I will take? I will take 16x and 23x. 16x and 23x. Okay. This is the price of first fan. This is the price of second fan. 16x and 23x. Okay. The ratio of price of two fan was 16 is to 23. 16x and 23x. 2 years later, when the price of the first has increased by 10%. So here by guys, what happened? 2 years later we will see the price of first fan. Price of first fan, what happened? It increased by 10%. Increased by 10% means 16x was the old price plus 10% of 16x. 10% of 16x. So what will happen? 10% means 10 divided by 100 into 16. We will get 1.6. So this will be 1.6x. 16 plus 1.6x, you will get 17.6x. Okay. See, the same thing they said now. The ratio of price of two fan was 16 is to 23. Means first fan is 16x, second fan is 23x. 2 years later, when the price of first has increased by 10%. So bhaiya dekho, 2 years later what will happen? The price of first fan is increased by 10%, means old price is 16x and then increased by 10%. So 10% of what? 10% of old price. See, whenever there is an increment of 10%, 15%, 20%, whatever, it is increment of what? It is increment of old price. Correct? Increment of old price. So this is the old price plus 10% increment of what? Old price. So this is how after 2 years first fan rate becomes 17.6x and that of second fan by 477 rupees. Second fan increased by 477 rupees. So second fan increased by 477 rupees means second fan cost is 23x increased by 477 rupees. So 23x plus 477. The ratio of price, see the ratio. Here also ratio. In this question is of ratio. The ratio of price become 11 is to 20. The ratio of price becomes 11 is to 20. The ratio of price means first fan price divided by second fan price. First fan price this, second fan price this. Ratio becomes 11 by 20. Now they said find the original price of two fans. You have to find the original price of two fan. So original price was 16x and 23x. So we have to find the value of x. We'll substitute it here. We'll get the original price. तो भैया क्या करेंगे? Cross multiplication मारी. So 20 into 17.6 will get 352. 352x equals 11 into 23. 23 into 11, 253x. 253x plus 11 into 477. You will get, oh my god, 5247. Now I will send this x to this side. So I see this side is already 352x. This plus will come this side, will become minus 253x equals 5247. So 352 minus 253, you will get 99. 99x equals 5247. Oh, John banega Don. Punpuni Nagar. You have to find the x. X you will find, what you will do? Yes, 5247 divided by 99. You will get 53. X value is 53. Who said that? X don't have value. X have value. Come to maths, guys. Habibi, welcome to maths. You will get the value of x also. You will say in relationship na x bewafa hoti hai. X bewafa hoti hai. But Habibi, welcome to maths. You will get the value of x. X is 53. Is what we have to find. We have to find the original price of two fan. First fan is 16x. So 16 into x. X is 53 into 16. 842 is the price of first fan. And then 23 into 53. Uri Baba. 1219 is the price of second fan. Was the answer correct? Oh, yes. The answer is correct, guys. The answer is correct. Okay. Guys, I am doing little bit fast. The reason behind it, this is all the basic concept. Okay, so what you have to do is, if you are not getting it, pause it, go back, then you understand, then move front. Okay, the ratio of two numbers is 3:4. So I will take the two number as 3x and 4x. The difference of their square, 4x square, 3x square is 28. The 4 square 16, x square is x square, minus 3 square is 9, x square is x square, equals 28. So 16 minus 9, jaldi bolo, 7 I think so. Yes, 7x square. 7x square equals 28. So bhaiya x square is equals to what? X square is equal to what? 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7. The x square is equals to 4. The x is what? Square root of 4. The square root of 4 is what? We know 2. So x is 2. So they ask greater number is, guys, dekho, x is equals to 2. We have a two number, 3x and 4x. if we'll substitute the 2, 3x will become 3 to the 6, 4x will become 4 to the 8. The greater number is 8. Yes, correct answer guys, correct answer. Okay, chalo, third proportional between these two. Third proportional guys we have to find. As we know that third proportional formula is what? C square divided by A, and we know they will give the two number. First number I will take as A, second number I will take as C. First number will be A, second number will be C. The third proportion means C square by A. So chalo bhaiya, third proportion is what? C square by A. So C is what? C is A plus B. Oh my god, whole square. C is A plus B whole square. Odi power baba. C is A plus B whole square. That square, C square, right? Because C is what? C is A plus B whole square, and then that square by A. A is what? A is A square minus B square. ठीक है? A is A square minus B square. Guys, we know power upon power, what will happen? Indices, power upon power, yes, power will multiply, so it will become A plus B whole power 2 to the 4. And guys, we know this is a mathematical term, A square minus B square. What will happen? A square minus B square, we will write A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square, this is the mathematical identities, that is A square minus B square equals to A plus B into A minus B. So what will happen? A plus B and this one A plus B will get cancelled, so it will become 3. So we'll get the answer is this, A plus B whole 3 divided by A minus B. Yes, this is the correct answer. Guys, I know this is the mathematical identities. You left the commerce, sorry, you left the science because of the mathematics and you entered into the commerce, and then after that you saw again mathematics. Then mathematics will be ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी. You left the mathematics after 10th. Sorry, you left the science after 10th because you saw that maths is there, so you took the commerce. In commerce you are going to do this competitive exam or anything, there you will see the maths. हंसाएंगे रुलाएंगे मार ही डालेंगे. Maths will not leave it. Wherever you go, maths will come behind you only. Okay, now the ratio of, again ratio question, the ratio of quantity is 5:7. The ratio of quantity is 5x and 7x. If the consequent, okay भैया देखो, this is what? Antecedent, this is consequent. If the consequent of its inverse ratio is 5, guys देखो, the ratio of two quantities 5:7, I will write 5x by 7x. They said if the consequent, so this is what? Antecedent, this is consequent. Okay, so consequent, okay, if the consequent of its inverse ratio is 5, consequent of its inverse ratio. Inverse ratio means what? I see, consequent of its inverse ratio. So this is a ratio 5x by 7x. We have to do the inverse ratio. So it will become 7x by 5x. Okay, ratio of quantity is what? 5x by 7x. They said consequent of its inverse ratio. Consequent of its inverse ratio. So first we will do the inverse ratio. So 5x by 7x, inverse ratio is 7x by 5x. Here what we have to see? Consequent is 5. The consequent here is what? This 5x. The consequent 5x is 5. 5 will get cancelled. X is equals to 1. The antecedent, you have to find the antecedent. So bhaiya dekho, what is antecedent here? 7x is the antecedent, x is 1. So 7 1 the 7. Done. Okay, now next 5x, answer is yeah, answer is okay, chalo. 5x minus 3y divided by 5y minus 3x equals 3 by y. Find the value of x by y. Very easy guys, very easy. चलो भैया लिखेंगे 5x minus 3y divided by 5y minus 3x, यही ना. 5x minus 3y divided by 5y minus 3x equals 3 by 4. Equals 3 by 4. What we will do, guys? Yes, we'll do cross multiplication. 4 will multiply with both, 3 will multiply with both. Remember the thing, guys, in cross multiplication, this will multiply with both the terms. It will not multiply only with 5. 5 for the, you will write 20x minus 3y. Morning calculator pick. So guys, 4 will multiply with both, 3 will multiply with both. So in cross multiplication, it will multiply with both. So 4 5 the 20x minus 4 3 the 12y equals 5 3 the 15y minus 3 3 the 9x. Oh bhaiya, x we will bring one side, y we will bring one side. So 20x, this is minus 9x, minus 9x will go that side, it will become plus 9x. Oh, then 15y, this minus 12y will go that side, it will become plus 12y. So 20x plus 9, 29x, 15 plus 12, 27y. Okay, what do we have to find? We have to find x is to y. We have to find x is to y. So bhaiya x is to y. So bhaiya dekho, x is there na. I will bring the y to here. So what will happen? 29x, when y will come this side, divided by y, and the remaining is 27. We have to find x is to y. So I will keep only x is to y, and then I will send the 29 to that side. So here 29 is in multiply. When it will go that side, it will be in divide. So x by y equals 27 divided by 29. So answer is 27 is to 29. You know? Yes, answer is 27 is to 29. Yay! Okay. Now I see here. X by 2 equals y by 3 equals z by 7. Then value of 2x minus 5y. Okay, see the value of 2x minus 5y plus 4z whole divided by 2y. Means, guys, what we know? We know simple thing. Already we did this type of question. If we have to find the value of variable, and if the variable is present in numerator, so the value of the variable is present in the denominator. If we have to find the value of variable which is present in numerator, the value of variable is present in the denominator. Okay, so x is 2, y is 3, z is 7. If we have to find the value of variable which is present in numerator, the value of variable is present in denominator. So x is 2, y is 3, z is 7. We'll substitute it here. So x is 2, so 2 to the 4. 4 minus y is 3, 5 3 the 15, plus z is 7, 4 7 the 28. Whatever we'll get divided by 2y, 2 3 the 6. Answer is 2.8. Yeah, correct. Okay, answer is in the, okay, sorry. Answer is in this form. Answer in the ratio form. So 3 to the 6. 6 is the denominator. Numerator will be 2 to the 4 minus y. 5 to the 15 plus 7 for the 28. 17. 17 by 16. Yeah, 17 by 16 is the correct answer. Okay, fine. See ya. The ratio of boys and girls in a college is 7:5. The ratio of boys and girls in a college is what? 7:5. The ratio of boys and girls is 7x by 5x. Okay. The ratio of boys and girls in a college is 7:5, means 7x and 5x. If the number of boys increases by 40%, number of boys increases by 40% means old value boys. Okay, old value increases by 40%. 40% of what? Yes, 40% of old value. So it will become 7x plus this 40 divided by 100 into 7. We will get 2.8x. 2.8x. So 7 plus 2, 9.8x. Okay, so new value of the boy is 9.8x. Before it was 7x, increased by 40%, 9.8x. So 40% means what? 40% of old value. Right? This concept you have to know. and the number of girls increases by 20%. The number of girls, the girls was 5x, it increased by 20%, increased by 20%. So 20% of what? Yes, 20% of the old value. So you'll get 5x plus this 20 divided by 100 into 5, you'll get 1x. 5x plus 1x, 6x. Okay, now they said what will be the new ratio? See again the ratio, this question is of ratio only. Here also the ratio. What will be the new ratio of boys and girls? By the new ratio to find for boys and girls. Khatam. Ratio of boys and girls. So 9.8x divided by 6x. That's done. That will go here 0. So 98 by 60. Right, 9.8x by 6x. X will get cancelled. If you remove this point, so 1 0 will come down. You know this chottu muttu some math, right? 98 by 60. So 98 by 60 means it will go by 6. Right. 98 divided by 6. Fine, we'll go by 2 only. 98 divided by 2, 49. 49 and 60 divided by 2 is 30. 49 by 30. Then how it will go? Yeah, answer is that only guys, 49 by 30. I hope you understand this concept. This type of question they will ask in the examination. Okay, chalo. Next. A dealer mixes rice costing 13.8 per kg with rice costing 15.4 and sell the mixture at 17.60 per kg, so he earned a profit of 14.6% on his sale price. The proportion in which the mixes the two qualities of rice. Guys, this is a proportion question. Proportion question of what? Alligation and mixture. Okay, alligation and mixture. So this type of question already we did, correct? So see here, a dealer mixes rice costing 13.8 per kg with rice 15.54. So this side we have a 13 point. This side we have a 13.85 mixes with 15.54. Now guys, here you will get to know how we will get to know it is a mixture question. Because see, very simple thing. There is a cost of one rice mixing with other rice whose cost is given. And then guys, the question is the proportion. Understand one thing. In proportion, this is only a one type where in proportion, this is only a one type of question where they will give the cost of one rice, cost of one quantity, cost of other quantity, then mixture, and then you have to find the proportion. This is only the one type in proportion, guys. Regarding this, we already did the previous two sums we did, correct? So this sum in the proportion is only one type where they will give the cost of one quantity which is mixed with the cost of other quantity, and here they will give the mixture value, and you have to check in which proportion they are mixed. In which proportion they are. So in which proportion they mixes. Okay, this is the concept you have to keep in your mind. So guys, see here what we have to write here. Yes, you know we have to write here cost price, but cost price is not given, then selling price minus profit. Okay, so guys, what is the selling price? They said the dealer mixes rice costing. Rice costing means cost price of one rice is 13.85 with rice costing. So cost of other rice is 15.54 and sell the mixture at, sell the mixture means selling price is given 17.60 minus, so he earned a profit of 14.6%. The profit of 14.6% on sale price. तो प्रॉफिट भैया देखो, प्रॉफिट इज व्हाट? प्रॉफिट इज 14.6% means what? 14.6 divided by 100 of sale price. Sale price is what? 17.60. So 14.6 divided by 100 into 17.60. 2.56. Profit is 2.56. The cost price you will get 17.60 minus 2.56. 15.04. Cost price you will get is 15.04. Guys, once again I'm telling you, just keep in your mind, this is a very important question. Where see, the cost of one kind they will give, then the cost of other kind will also give, and then they will say that in what proportion they mix. In what proportion they mix means this is of a proportion question, allegation and mixture. So that time what we have to do, we have to write the cost price of one kind, cost price of other kind, and here you have to write the cost price of mixture. If they will give the directly cost price of mixture, we will write it. Otherwise they will give the selling price and profit, means we will use this formula. Cost price is selling price minus profit. We know how to find the profit percentage of selling price. Okay, now in which proportion means we know we have to subtract this 2, we will get here value. We have to subtract this 2, we will get here value. Subtract means bigger value minus smaller. So 15.54 minus 15.0, it will be 0.50. It's 0.50, and here is 15.04 minus 13.85, 1.19. Okay, so you will do, this is the means 0. Wait, we are getting 0.50 divided by 1.19. It's not the is2, 1.19. So guys, what we will do, this point will get cancelled, so you will get 50 by 119. So what you can do, you can cancel, or otherwise you do directly 50 divided by 119, you will get 0.42. Now what you will do, you will do the trial and error method. In the option, you divide all the option in which you will get 0.42. That is the correct answer. Yes, in which answer you will get, that is the correct answer. Okay, but you have to understand, this is the only one concept of the proportion. Okay, this is important. Now next, yeah. Okay, the expenditure and saving of a person, are in the ratio 4:1. So guys, what I will do, I will take the expenditure as 4x and saving as x. Okay, if his saving are increased by 25% of his income. So guys, see, first of all see here, expenditure and saving is 4:1. The expenditure is 4x, saving is x. If I know the expenditure and saving, then I can write the income. Income formula is what? Income is expenditure plus saving. The 4x plus x, the income will become 5x. Okay, now coming to the question, they said if its saving are increased means what you will write? Saving are increased means we will write increase in savings. So what is the question? The question is, if his savings are increased by 25% of his income. See, if his savings are increased means what we will write? Increase in saving. Correct. Savings are increased means increase in saving. To increase in saving by 25% of his income. That increase 25% means 25 by 100 of income. Income is what? 5x. So you will get here 25 divided by 100 into 5, 1.25x. So increased in saving is by 1.25x. Okay, so see, old saving is x, increase in saving is 1.2x. So we will get here new savings. What we will get? We will get new savings. So new saving means old savings plus increase in saving plus increase in savings. Okay, so old saving is how much? X, plus increase in saving means 1.25x. So x means what? 1 plus 1.25 means 2.25x. New saving is 2.25x. Okay, see, till here we did whatever is given the question. If his savings are increased means increase in saving is 25% of his income. So done. Then what is the new ratio of expenditure and saving? So we have to find the new ratio of expenditure and saving. So see, new ratio of expenditure and saving means new expenditure by new savings, right? We have to find expenditure and saving. The new expenditure divided by new saving. See, new saving we get to know. Now we have to find new expenditure. New saving means, remember the thing, new saving means old saving plus increase in saving, that's it. But new expenditure means total income. New expenditure means total income minus new saving. Total income minus new saving. So total income is how much? 5x. 5x minus new saving is this much, 2.25x. When you will subtract this, you will get 2.75x. The ratio of new expenditure by saving. The new expenditure by new saving. The new expenditure is 2.75x divided by new saving is 2.25x. X will get cancelled. This point will get eliminated. We have a 275 divided by 225. So guys, both will go by 5. The 275 divided by 5, you will get 55 divided by 225 divided by 5, you will get 45. Again both will go by 5. 11 5 the 55, 9. 9 5 the 3. Yes, answer is 11:9. Yes, correct. Okay. Done. Now we'll move on for next. Income of R and X. Okay, see, this type of questions already we did in the class. Fine, let's see this type of question. See, this type of question easy, guys. A startup business was initiated by an entrepreneur by investing 1,40,000. Okay, so a startup business was initiated by an entrepreneur. One entrepreneur is there who invested 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Okay, we will say that one entrepreneur is there. Okay, who invested? Means I will take A. Entrepreneur A who invested 1,40,000. Okay, then his friend joined him after 6 months with an amount of 2,10,000. Means his friend is B who joined after 6 months. After 6 months, and he has given 2,10,000. Okay. See, initially what? A startup business was initiated by an entrepreneur. Means only one entrepreneur is there who started his business by investing 1,40,000. So suppose A is the entrepreneur who invested 1,40,000. Then after that his friend joined after 6 months and he invested 2,10,000. Thereafter an angel investor joined them with 2,80,000 after another 6 months. Okay, means one more an investor came after 6 months. One more investor came after 6 months. That investor invested 2,80,000. 2,80,000 means initially the entrepreneur has invested 1,40,000 and he started the business. His business is going on. After 6 months of the starting his business, another B, or person B joined and he invested 2,10,000. Again the like business continued for next more 6 months. Then again an investor joined and he given 2,80,000. Okay, what should be the ratio? See, the word ratio means this is a ratio question. What will be the ratio of distribution of total earning 3 years since beginning of the business among entrepreneur, his friend and angel investor? So what the question asks? Question asks that what should be the ratio of distribution of total earning. Now see, a person A started the business by investing 1,40,000 at the starting. He carried the business for 6 months. After 6 months, one other person joined and he gave 2,10,000. Then both A and B continued. After again 6 months, means what? The total duration is what from starting? 12 months, right? See here. Means I will show you. Here the business started. A started the business and A has put it 1,40,000 for his business. Then business continued by A after 6 months. This is what? After 6 months B joined. As the B joined, B has given 2,10,000. From here again after 6 months C joined. Again after 6 months C joined and C gave 2,80,000. Okay, means A to C. A means C joined after 1 year, right? See, A started the business. After 6 months B joined. 6 plus 6, 12 months, means after 1 year C joined. Correct? Very good. Now what they asked? They asked the ratio. What is the ratio of distribution of total earning? They asked what should be the ratio of distribution of total earning, means whatever the earning is happening in the business, what ratio they will distribute. So they said 3 years since beginning of business. So after 3 years from beginning of the business, and the end of 3 years, whatever the total earning will happen, how they will distribute, in which ratio they will distribute. So see here, A is to B is to C, correct? Yes. A invested 1,40,000 at starting only. A invested 1,40,000 at starting, means A invested at which month? A invested at 0 month, and this investment of A will continue till 3 years. Why it will continue till 3 years? Because they said here what should be the ratio of distribution of total earning 3 years since beginning of business, means we have to calculate for total for 3 years. We have to calculate total for 3 years. 3 years means 36 months. We have to total calculate for 36 months. So A is only started the business and he invested at 0 month 1,40,000, and it continued till whole 3 years means 36 months. So 1,46,000 into 36 months he continued. Okay, is to now B contributed 2,10,000. B contributed 2,10,000, and this contribution work started from which month? After 6 months, means total month is 36. Remaining 36 minus 6 means it worked for only 30 months. Because he joined 6 months late, so total is 36 months. He joined 6 months late means 36 minus 6, 30. C invested 2,80,000, and C joined here. Here means what? After 6 months B joined. Again after 6 months C joined, means C joined after 12 months. Means 36 minus 6, only C worked for 24 months. Understand? Yes, sir. Now we will see here, we will cancel it out. How we can cancel it out? See, 102030, 102030, 102030 will get cancelled. Another 101010 will get cancelled. So 14 into 36, you will get 504 is to 21 into 30. 21 into 30, you will get 630 is to 28 into 24. 28 into 24, you will get 672. Guys, see, this question is important. You have to sit and you have to analyze. Like, company is working till 36 month. A joined at starting only, so he invested 1,40,000 and continued till 36 month. B invested 2,10,000, but B joined 6 months later. So 36 minus 6, B only works for 30 months. C invested 2,80,000, but C joined after 1 year. So after 1 year means after 12 months. So 36 minus 12, 24 months it will go. So guys, 504, 637. So it will go by 2. 504 divided by 2, 252. 252, this will go by 2. So 315, this will go by 2. 336, 3. Now all go with 3. 252 divided by 3, you will get 84. This divided by 3. 315 divided by 3, you will get 105. And this 336 divided by 3 means 112. Again 84. 84 will divide by 3. 84 divided by 3, 28. 105 divided by 3, 35. 112 divided by 3. Oh, come on. 84 is to 105 is to 1112. See, 7, it will divide by 7. So 84 divided by 7, 12. 105 divided by 7, 15. 112 divided by 7, 16. Yes, correct answer is 12 is to 15 is to 16. This is the correct answer. Important also, guys. Okay. Now a man wants to cut 3 lengths. Okay. What happened? A man wants to cut 3 length from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. Means single piece of length is there which is 91 centimeter. Okay, a man wants to cut 3 length from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. The total length is what? 91 centimeter. From that, a man wants to cut in 3 lengths. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest, and third length is to be twice as the shortest. Means, guys, here they are talking about the second length and third length. They are talking about second length and third length. Means they are not talking about first length. The first length is what? First length we will take as a shortest length, and we will take it as a x centimeter. The first length is what? Shortest, will take it as a x centimeter. Because second length is what? They talk, see here they talked only about the second length and third length. They didn't mention about the first length. The first length we will take it as the shortest and x. Because the second length is what? Second length is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So shortest I take as x. So 3 centimeter, right. 3 centimeter longer than shortest, so x plus 3 centimeter. Then third is what? Third length is twice as the shortest, twice. So twice shortest is x, 2x centimeter. Okay. They ask what is the possible length for the shortest piece. Possible length for the shortest piece. Shortest piece is the first, right? Shortest piece is the first that we took as x. So very simple guys, very simple. Total is what? 91. Total is 91. The first piece plus second piece plus third piece is the total broad of length, that is 91. The first piece is what? X. Second piece is x plus 3. Third piece is 2x, that is 91. So x plus x, 2x plus 2x, that is 4x plus 3 equals 91. The 4x is equals to plus 3 will go that side, will become minus 3. 91 minus 3, 88. So x is equals to 88 divided by 4, x is 22. So the shortest length is what? X. X is 22 centimeter. The shortest length is 22 centimeter. You can check like this. This is 22 centimeter. 22 plus 3, 25 centimeter. 22 plus 2, 44 centimeter. Now count this. 22 plus 25 plus 44, 91 centimeter. Yes. Okay. Now next, a dealer mixes tea. Oh yeah. A dealer mixes tea costing 6.98 per kg with tea costing 7.7 per kg and selling price. The mixture at 8.8 per kg, he earns a profit of 17.5% on his sale price. In what proportion does he mix? Again guys, see this. In what proportion does he mix? So what proportion does he mix? So I see again, if what I said you, yes. If the question is of proportion and he asked in what proportion does he mix. If the question is of proportion and he asked in what proportion does he mix. Okay. If the question is of proportion. If the question is of proportion and they asked in what proportion does he mix, then we know that type of only question, allegation and mixture. So in what proportion does he mix means allegation and mixture question. So guys, it said a dealer mixes tea costing. The cost of one kind of tea is 6.92. So we will write here. Cost of one kind is what? 6.92. Then with tea costing 7.7 per kg. So a dealer mixes tea costing this much. The cost of one tea, cost price of one tea is one kind is 6.92 per kg with tea costing means cost price of another kind is 7.77. The cost price of another kind is 7.77. Okay. And sells. Okay, selling price is given and profit is given. In what proportion does he mix? So what proportion does he mixed means we know this type of question. So this is the cost price. So we'll use selling price minus profit. Then we will subtract this two. We will get it here. And then we will subtract this two. We will get it here. Okay, correct. The cost price, selling price minus profit. So what is selling price? Selling price they give 8.8 per kg. Sales, right? Sales means selling price. 8.80 per kg minus profit. We have to find profit. Profit is what? Bhaiya bolo. Arey oh pyare bolo na re. He earns a profit of 17.5 on his sale price. 17.5 means bolo re pyare. 17.5 means bol do. Arey bol do na re. 17.5 means how we will write guys? 17 to the 34 plus 1 35 by 2. So देखो ना रे प्यारे 35 by 2 what will happen? 17.5 will happen. 35 by 2 means 17.5. So 17.5% means divided by 100 of selling price. Every time it will be of selling price because you can see here they have written he earns a profit of 17.5% on his sale price. तो भैया निकालो ना रे, 17.5 डिवाइड बाई 100 कर दो रे भैया, इंटू 8.80 करो ना, 1.54 गाइस, 1.54 आएगा रे प्यारे। तो गाइस देखो देखो रे भैया 8.80, अरे नहीं रे प्यारे, हाँ 8.80 माइनस 1, अरे प्यारे क्या हो गया यार, 8.80 माइनस 1.54, अरे आ गया रे 7.26 आया रे ओ प्यारे, 7.26। चलो वी विल माइनस, इन माइनस वी नो बिगर माइनस स्मॉलर, तो भैया कर दो 7.77 माइनस 7.26, ओ हो आ गया रे, आ गया 0.54 आया रे, अरे आ गया रे भैया। नाउ दिस 7.26 माइनस 6.92, 0.34 आया रे ओ प्यारे, आया ना 0.34। तो गाइज व्हाट वी विल डू, यस वी विल डू 0.54 divided by 0.51 divided by 0.34, this will get 51 divided by 34, 51 it will go by 17, 17 3 the 51, 17 to the 34, 3:2, oh ho, आंसर इज 3:2, हो ओरे भैया मजा आ गया, मजा आया गाइस, मजा आया। ओके लास्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आई डोंट नो व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड एंड आई डोंट नो, चलो no worries. If the salary of P is 25% lower than that of Q and the salary of R is 20% higher than that of Q, means the salary of P is also compared with Q and salary of R is also compared with Q. So what we will do guys, we will take the Q salary here, then P salary here, then R salary here. Okay, now guys see, very important thing and very easy thing is they are talking about percentage. See salary of P is what, 25% lower than salary of Q and salary of R is 20% higher than that of Q. So remember one thing, whenever they will talk in percentage, so guys what we are going to do, just check it out, salary of P is 20% lower than Q. So guys understand, whenever we will talking about percentage, whenever we'll discuss about percentage, so the reference we will take it as 100. The reference what we will take it as 100, khatam. Because see what we are dealing with percentage, so whenever we are dealing with percentage, so the reference we will take it as 100, done. It will become very easy peasy guys. Understand, once again I will tell you, whenever we are dealing with percentage, so what will happen, the reference one we will take it as 100. The reason behind taking it as 100, because percentage means what, अरे बोलो ना रे प्यारे, percentage means 100 होता है ना प्यारे, so that's why we will, the reference one we will fix it as 100 because we are dealing in percentage. The percentage means 100. The salary of P is 25% lower than of Q. So Q is 100, 100 minus 25, 75 is P. Then salary of R is 20% higher than that of Q. 20% higher means 100 plus 20, 120. Oh ho. The ratio, okay, question is of ratio. Ratio of salary of R and P, guys, R and P, they said R and P. R and P, don't become Chacha Chaudhary and don't do P and R. Moe will happen guys. R is 120, P is 75, both will go by 5. Chalo bhaiya, 5 to the 24, 5 to the 10, 5, 24, 5 and the 5 to 25, 15. 24 is to 15. Okay, it will go guys, sorry 8 to the 24, 5 to the 50, sorry guys, sorry 8 is to 5 is the correct answer. Yes guys, 8 is to 5 is the correct answer. Yes, done guys, aaja. Okay, now guys this is the end, but this is not the end guys. As I have promised, we will solve these two questions which they appeared in the Jan 2026 for the CA foundation. Let's see. Guys, we will use our chuttu sa brain. Okay, chalo. Before this we will solve this one 27, we will first we'll solve 27. See, in India, obviously we are staying in India. गजब कमाल करते हो पांडे जी. Okay, see here, in India An examination is conducted in two sessions. In the first session, the ratio of boys to girl among 455 students is 8:5. Okay, guys, देखो, the ratio of boys is to girl is what? The ratio of boys is to girl is 8x and 5x among 45 students. We know number of boys plus number of girls is equals to total number of students. The number of boys and girls is what? Boys is 8x, girls is 5x. So 8x plus 5x equals total number of students is what? 455. 455 students. See, this type of question already we did. 8 plus 5, 13x. 13x is equals to 455. So x we will get to know. How we will get to know? X is equals to 455 divided by 13. 455 divided by, oh bhaiya, 455 divided by 13. 35. X equals what? X equals 35. If x is 35 means boy is what? Boy is 8x. Boy is 8x. Boy is 8x. So 35 into 8 we will get boy is 280. And now girls. Girls is 5x. So 35 into 5. Girl is 175. Okay, girl is 5x. It is 175. Okay, total number of boys is 280. Total number of girls is 175. If you will add 280 plus 175, you will get 455 students. See, this type of, I see. So many students were saying sir ratio का question बहुत difficult था. What is difficult, guys? This type of question already we did in this 57 questions also. This type of question we did in the class also. What is the difficulty? They had given in examination. Sorry, an examination is conducted in two sessions. In first session, the ratio of boys to girl among 55 students is 8:5. So boy is to girl is what? 8x and 5x. We know 8:5 the ratio. How we are going to write? 8x and 5x. So what we know? Boy, the total number of boys plus total number of girls is what? It indicates total number of students, right? So boys is what? 8x, girls is 5x, total number of students is 455. Like that we will get the number of boys is 280, number of girls is 175. Then what they said? If 50 new girls are admitted in second session, भैया देखो ratio is boys to girl means 280 boys to 175 girls. Now they said 50 new girls are admitted. 50 new girls are admitted in second session. How many new boys must be added? How many new boys? So I will take as x. Correct. Whatever we have to find, we'll take it as a x. So x new boys must be added, so that the ratio of the girls to boys become 3:4. I see here only the 100% student did a mistake here only. Understand? देखो भैया, guys focus here. चलो रे प्यारे देखो. Till here we get to know they had given the ratio of boys to girl is 8:5. So ratio of boys of girls 8:5. We know how we will write 8x and 5x. Okay, and total student is 455 student. So we know total number of boys plus total number of girls is total number of students. So total number of boys is 8x, girls is 5x, total number of students is 455. By this we will get to know 355. Sorry, 35. And according to that, guys, very important, see, in the starting they had given ratio of boys to girls. Ratio of boys to girls. So what I have written? Boys to girls. See, boy is 280, girls is 175. So boys to girls. Okay, I will rub this again. I will write. चलो देखो. Boys to girls. Okay, boys to girls. So boys is 280 to girls is 175. Okay, but see here. They said if 50 new girls are admitted in the second session. Okay. देखो भैया 50 new girls are admitted in the second session. How many new boys must be admitted? How many new boys must be admitted? I will say x number of new boys must be admitted. तो भैया देखो I will write plus x. Okay, so that ratio, this indicate that question is of ratio. So that ratio, guys देखो, now twisting is there. What we studied the ratio? We studied the ratio of boys to girl. We study the ratio of boys to girl. But what they had given? So that the ratio of girls to boy becomes 3:4. Girls to boy become 3:4. Guys, we have studied boys to girl. Many students what they did now, they have taken boys to girl 3:4. Means this, they have taken boys to girls 3:4. But no my dear, they had not given like that. They had not given like that. They had given ratio of girls to boy. Ratio of girls to boy is 3:4. Now girl is 3, boy is 4. Means this ratio of girl is 3, boy is 4. This is the end. Hold the breath. Many of you will think that boys to girl you will take 3. Okay, they will say okay, new boys must be admitted, so the ratio of girls to boys 3:4. You will take okay, boys to girl 3:4. You will take khatam khalas 3:4, 3/4. Moe will happen. They have given girls to boy 3:4. Girls to boy, girl is 3, boy is 4. Now we will do the cross multiplication. 3 will multiply with both, 4 will multiply with both. Now let's multiply. 280 into 3. 280 into 3. This is the difference, guys. 280 into 3 is 840 plus 3x equals 175 into 4. Bolo bhaiya, 700 plus 50 into 4, 200. Okay. So see, all the thing we will send that side. 3x equals 700 plus 200, 900. This is a plus 840. When it will come that side, minus 840. 900 minus 840 is 60. So 3x equals 60. X is equal to 60/3. That is 20. X equals 20. So what we have to find? How many boys? So x is what? 20. So answer is what? 20. Girls to boys, the ratio is given, not boys to girls. Okay. Now see here. Another important. 1 year ago, they're talking about 1 year ago, ratio of age of A and B was 5:4. Okay guys, see, this is the present. This is present. This is 1 year ago. This is 1 year ago. They are saying 1 year ago, the ratio of age of A and B is 5:4. Means their age is 5x and 4x. This is the present age. From present 1 year ago, the ratio of age of A and B was 5x and 4x. Okay. Now they said ratio of their ages 4 years from now. The ratio of their ages 4 year from now. Guys, 4 year from now means 4 year from present. So 5x and 4x are their age 1 year ago. So present what it will be? Present it will be 5x plus 1. Present it will be 5x plus 1 and 4x plus 1. Okay, present it will be 5x plus 1 and 4x plus 1, because 1 year ago it is 5x and 4x. So 1 year after, see, 1 year ago it is 5x and 4x. So from here 1 year after what it will be? 5x plus 1, 4x plus 1. So present age is 5x plus 1, 4x plus 1. So what they are saying, ratio of their ages 4 years from now. From now 4 years. 4 years from now. From now means from present. Don't think that from now means from 1 year ago. No. See, present age we don't know. 1 year ago they said 5x and 4x. Okay. So present age is what? 5x plus 1, 4x plus 1. Correct. They have to come one year forward. Correct. So 5x plus 1, 4x plus 1. Now they said 4 years from now. Now means present. So 4 years from now, their age is 6:5. 4 year from now means what will happen? We will add the 4 years. So it was 5x plus 1. Then we will add the 4 means it will become 5x plus 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5x plus 5 divided by, it was 4x plus 1. Now we have to add the 4 here. The 4x plus 1 plus 4, 5. equals 6 by 5. That's it. Ratio of their ages 4 years from now. 4 years from now. Whenever they will say from now, we have to take it as a from present. Okay, so 1 year ago it was 5x 4x. So present means you will come 1 year after. The 1 year after means 5x plus 1, 4x plus 1. From present, which is 5x plus 1 and 4x plus 1, we have to go 4 years from now. To add the 4 year, to 5x plus 1 plus 1, we will add the plus 4. So 1 plus 4, 5x plus 5. Then 4x plus 1, from plus 1, we will add this plus 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 5. Now it is 6:5. What will be the age of A after 10 years from now? So guys, let this statement be like this. First we will find the age of A and B present. So guys, we know this 5x. See, we got this much. 5x plus 5 divided by 4x plus 5 equals 6 by 5 equals 6 by 5. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. See here. 5 5 the 25x plus 5 5 the 25 equals 6 4 the 28x plus 6 5 the 30. So x I will bring one side, constant I will bring one side. So this is 25x, this is plus 28x. When it will go that side, it will become minus 28x equals, this is already 30. When plus 25 will go that side, it will become minus 25. So 25x minus 28x, it will be minus 3x. 35 minus 25, 5. Mr. Gadbole. Sorry guys, 6 4 the 24. Sorry guys, sorry. Sorry guys, 6 4 the 24x and 6 5 the 30. So now it will go that side. 25x minus 24x equals 30 minus 25. So 25x minus 24x, x equal 30 minus 25, 5. X is 5. So now see here, scenario is what they said. This is the present age. Scenario is they said 1 year ago. 1 year ago, A age is 5x and B age is 4x. 5x and 4x 1 year ago. Okay. What they said guys, 1 year ago A and B age is 5x and 4x. Okay, see here, this is the present age. Okay, from here 1 year ago A age is 5x, B age is 4x. So guys, from 1 year ago, if you will come in present, means what you will say, 1 year after. Correct. See, this is the present. 1 year ago, if A age is 5x, B age is 4x. So coming to the present means what we will say, 1 year after. Correct. Coming to the present means we will say 1 year after. The 1 year after means what is their age? A age will be 5x plus 1, B age is 4x plus 1. Correct. Now they said the ratio of their age is 4 years from now. Guys, whenever the word from now will come, means we are talking about present. So guys, what they said? They said 4 years. What they said? 4 years from now. 4 years from now. So 4 years from now means 4 years from present. 4 years from present. 4 years from present means what will happen? We will add the 4 year, right? Present A age is 5x plus 1. So plus 1 we will add 4. So it will become 5x plus 5. And B's age in present is 4x plus 1. So 4 years now means we have to add the plus 4. So 4x 1 plus 4 is plus 5. A age is this, B age is this after 4 years. Okay. So guys, we get to know x value is 5. Means present age. X value is 5 means present age we will get to know. Present age of A is 5x plus 1. So x is 5. 5 5 the 25 plus 1, 26. Present age of A is 26 and present age of B is 4x plus 1. So 4x is 5. 4 5 the 20 plus 1, 21 year. The present age of X is 26. Sorry, present age of A is 26. Present age of B is 21. Till here we understand, correct? Now they said what will be the age of A. Only we have to focus on A. What will be the age of A? What will be the age of A after 10 years from now? From now means from present. After 10 years, what will be the age of A? So guys, see, at present the age of A is 26. Now they are saying after 10 years. After 10 year means plus 10. So 26 plus 10, A's age will be 36 years. Correct? They said after 10 years from now. From now means present. The present age of A is 26. After 10 years from now. 26 plus 10, 36 years. So A age is 36. Answer is 36. Guys, what is the difficulty here? See, I told na they won't ask the difficult question. They ask the twisted questions. This concept is very easy. Even a chottu mottu sa child, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard child will use the brain, because no formula is here. Where's the formula, guys? No formula is here. Just you have to use the concept. If 1 year ago 5x 4x, the 1 year after means 5x plus 1, 4x plus 1, and they are talking from now means that is only the present. So like that. So we'll find the value of X, then we'll get to know present age of A, present age of B, and now they are saying from now after 10 year what is the age of A. From now we will get to know X, we know, so 5x plus 1 will get to know A age is 26 plus 10, 36 year. Guys, nothing is the difficult. Okay, the main thing is you have to practice more and more questions, but with practice more and more questions you have to keep in your mind that how you are going to solve, why this process is happening. Okay, which type of question will come, so I have to solve which type of, by using which type of method. So bhaiya, this is only the things which we have to use. Other than that, please, they won't ask a much difficult and higher type of question, guys. Just solve the questions. While solving the question, don't by heart the steps and all. Understand the steps, understand the concept. See, this is a conceptual questions. Many student, 99% student did a mistake in this question. They are like, sir, after seeing the question we think that from where they asked the question is out of syllabus and all. Where it is out of syllabus? Conceptual questions, same concept but 2-3 concept they used. If you know the concept properly, if you know the base properly, you can easily solve this type of questions. Even this 27 only, this is girls to boy. Starting they're talking about boys to girl, but at the last they changed girls to boys. So bhaiya, they will not ask a difficult type of questions. They will ask the same type of question, just they will change the wording. Or the same question, they will, in place of like this, they will like this. Okay, so you have to understand the concept understanding is very important, guys. Basic is very important. So that's why I am giving you the question and I myself is solving the questions with you. So that's why you will get the proper concept, proper knowledge. Okay, so guys, this is the end for ratio and proportion. So again, today is 11th. 13th morning again I will send you 25 to 30 questions, and then 13th afternoon I will solve, means I will upload the answer for that questions. Okay, so you will just see and you will solve. If any problem is there, you can ask with me. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, take care. And guys, if you're understanding, please like it, and if your friend is doing the same thing, you can add in the WhatsApp group or you can share to your friends. Okay, so they will also get benefit. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, we'll meet in the next video.